Hello, friends. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, wonderful, expert, powerful trader, Tom Sabo. Hi,
Tom. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Terry. Hello, YouTube land. Good morning, chat. And good morning to Abhishek and Magnus and Trevor, Nate, Aaron, everybody at MyFundedTV and MyFundedFutures. What a day. I love Wednesdays, and we have the roundtable. It's so good to see you back, Terry. How's the morning?
Oh, it's great. I am so excited. Hey, I see Ike is in the house. Husk is in the house. We have our roundtable today. Yes, with Pine Tree Trader and also Methodical Man. They will be joining us like in 30 seconds, 10 seconds, maybe 5.
Yeah. Maybe 5. Who knows?
Maybe 5. How's your morning going, Tom?
Oh, well, it's fun. It's crazy. Everything all put together. Interesting market for sure. But, otherwise, it's a typical summer day. So I don't know why I feel those, but I'm kind of feeling like it's almost at we're doing the weekend show. But I'm not that I don't like being here. I love the show, but I do have this weekend vibes already. I don't know why. Maybe it's the summer. Maybe it's too hot.
I love our Friday vibes. It sounds like you're starting to feel the Friday, the party vibes today.
Exactly. We're going to do some party today and Friday too. Every day, guys, here on MyFundedTV.
Absolutely. It is a party. Let's welcome Methodical Man and Pine to the party.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's up?
How's it going?
It's going. We are so excited to have you guys here. We have lots of great topics to discuss on the roundtable today.
That's for sure,
Let's go.
guys. Let's go.
Yeah. So today is Wednesday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Myth. At 10:30, you will have Forex Ike and Corey the Phone Trader. That is the schedule for today.
Let's go. We have lots of fun today, but before having too much fun, well, it's also fun to go over the charts because we have to go over the charts. So what happened so far? Just a quick review since the London session. Since 2 a.m., we're kind of like slowly edging higher here back into a range. I want to just show you something on the 1 hour chart, everybody. Obviously, I do have some markups here, but we can see that the market is pretty much back into the middle of the range throughout the day on this 1 hour time frame. So not much to look for. Internal liquidity maybe. So let me just switch back to the 5-minute here. London was somewhat interesting. I tried to do some scalps here and there. We did put a low in at 640. Now question is, are we going to revisit that? I would say that could be an Asia high as well. Previous day low is at 603. We didn't go down there yet. The only level of liquidity, if we focus on internal range, would be a 3 and the 5-minute fair value gap up there at 28,090 and almost at 28,100. But who knows? Earlier in the early New York session, I was really, I tried to put on some trades to push it there. There was some tweet or comment from Trump. I think he was commenting something for Fox News about Iran, and the market immediately dropped lower. So it's just hard to figure out. I was just telling to Myth and everybody, like, it's so difficult right now to come up with the direction. We have all these wicks on the 5-minute time frames, up and down, indecision in the market throughout the London session and the early New York session. So, and not even demand or supply zones. Fair value gaps have been repriced. The market is just creeping slowly up and down with no real target, I feel like. So we'll see what's going to happen. But quick look on gold as well. Now, gold actually reacted more harshly on this tweet because we just swept that 4,069 down there on the micro. This is actually the December contract already. So if you guys still on the old contract, I suppose everybody's on the new contract now. So we went down to 4,069. I don't know if a sell-off is going to continue. We definitely took some liquidity. Would be nice to see it push back a little bit higher above the midnight level. In terms of fair value gaps and zones, there's nothing, almost the same situation. And by the way, the London session was absolutely looking terrible on gold. So no real target, the same situation, wicks on the upside and downside as well. Lots of indecision, guys, so gotta be careful. And just a quick look on ES. Well, I would say maybe ES has more or cleaner targets on both ends, but since I'm not really trading that, we can definitely see that there is a certain rejection on the upper end here somewhere. You know, it almost went up to the 7500s there, but anyway, managed to be pulled down all the way. Well, who knows, maybe we're going to take that 74.51 down there. It does seem like it wants to go a little bit lower. I'm not saying it's a head and shoulders situation, but that swing low from London, I would call that the London low at 74.51. Watch out for that. It seems like ES is ready to take that out, but you know, we'll be focusing as usual on NQ. Keep your trades and everything with proper risk management. But that's all I have. Thank you.
Sounds good. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
As far as scheduled news today, we have the big day today. It's FOMC day. This is a big day. I feel like either traders love to trade today or they're absolutely 100% hands off on today. It would be interesting if we put out a poll to see what everyone's planning. Are you going to trade FOMC or will you be sitting on your hands? So that is coming out at 2 o'clock today, Eastern Standard Time. We do have crude oil inventories at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time and the FOMC at 2, and then at 2:30, the FOMC press conference. So we also see lots of movement while the chairman speaks. Big day.
Yeah, big day. And don't forget, everybody, the statement is one thing, but the real kicker is usually the press conference. So be careful there. Yeah.
Yes. So we saw a ton of volatility even during Globex and Asia session. I could not believe within 2 hours we had a range of almost 400 points in NQ last night. So some of the headlines that we saw were Iran did hit some U.S. bases in Jordan. And then this morning, Trump said U.S. strikes will take place against Iran in response to attacks on U.S. targets in Jordan. That came out this morning at 8:16 Eastern Standard Time. So super volatile. We continue being nimble.
We continue. And yes, so possible strikes on Iran. I don't know. Like, when is it going to happen? Is it going to happen during Asia session or today? So pretty much walking on a minefield again. What do you guys think, by the way?
Yeah, Myth.
Well, I'm bullish today. I would like to see maybe a little bit of a swing lower at open, and then looking for us to go back up and take out the 250 area. 28,250 is kind of a zone I'm looking for us to target. And then ES, I think if ES gets above 7506, that we're going to kind of be off to the races. We've been knocked down in that area twice already, actually 3 times. And if we could just clear that 7506, I think we just squeeze. And the only other thing I'm thinking is that Terry needs to hand her hat down to Tom so that he matches Pine and I. So just go ahead and reach, just hand it right down to Tom there, and it'll be fine.
Yeah.
One day we'll be able to do that.
We'll do it. Teleporting. I need a hat. Yeah.
We have to get you one, Tom. Did you guys see news about the merch store? Did you guys see that?
I saw that. I saw that, by the way.
Yeah,
That's cool.
MyFundedFutures is looking for some designs, and if you make a design and MyFundedFutures chooses it, you can win a free account from MyFundedFutures. So exciting.
We
I love
that.
merch. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Merch is cool. We like it.
We should all wear matching hats one day.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We could do that.
I love that. Yeah.
That way Tom doesn't have to spend like 30 minutes on his hairdo in the morning.
Yeah. It takes a lot of time. True. Yeah, that's true. It takes a lot of time from my day. Yeah. It is what it is.
Yes. How are we doing on likes?
Oh, yeah. Let's see the likes. Guys, this is really awesome. Actually, I wanted to check. 107 likes already. Thank you so much. Only 11 minutes in, we hit the 100 marker. We like that. 425 viewers, thank you so much for watching. If you're checking the stream out on X or TikTok, please hop over to, I always want to say NQ, thank you, but hop over to YouTube, smash the likes, make sure to share the stream link, subscribe. We're getting closer to that 70K. Thank you so much for the support, everybody. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. I can share the current promos.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Hey, the best promo ever, 50% off any size of the Rapid Builder and Pro using code YouTube, the best code in the land. When you use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. So thank you so much, you guys. So 50% off, 2 uses. This deal ends very soon here in about 2.5 so days. After that, oh, I know. Yes, get it. Absolutely. I've already used mine. Pine, you've used yours. Myth, have you used yours yet?
Unfortunately.
Tom, have you used yours?
Unfortunately, yes. Yes, it's not even funny that I say it. Okay, yeah, it's not. Unfortunately, I did. So it is what it is.
It is. And after you've used it, there are still fantastic deals, you guys. 40% off the Builder Unlimited, 20% off the Rapids, and 30% off of the Pros. We still have a deal on the Flex plans, 10% off. And those are the current promos.
Thank you, Terry. Yeah, guys, make sure to type in the code YouTube. You will always get the best available discount. But yeah, gotta grab this one because it's gonna end, and who knows what's gonna come up next. But you know, grab it. It's really the best deal out there. So
it is. So I see that 51% of people voted that you are going to trade FOMC today, and 49% said no way. You can't make
guys, you guys are like, I envy you. Like you have no fear in your hearts. Like, go for it. Let's take those profits. Who cares about risk? Let's just take. Honestly, I'll be as far away as possible from my computer by that time, so I don't want to trade that.
Yeah,
it's so dangerous. Pine, are you going to trade the FOMC?
Well, I do have there is a system that called the Rule of 4 by Trader Tom, not this Trader Tom, but Trader Tom Hugard. And it's for YM, and it's the 10-minute chart off the 10-minute chart. Maybe that they can show my screen here, and I can give it a little show here.
I have an impression that you're kind of like trading the YM lately, much more than NQ, right?
I like to trade YM, especially on funded accounts. It's just a little more tame, where NQ is a little wild sometimes. So during the during my funded accounts, I just trade. A lot of times I'll just trade YM in the morning and then be done with it. Look for my $200-300 and that's it. So, but yeah, here we go. Here's my chart here. So, anyways, the Rule of 4, real quick. This is a quick lesson. If you guys are interested in trading it, just look up the Rule of 4. Tom Hugard, the author of The Best Loser Wins, back there. It's a little systematic trade for things like non-farm payroll or FOMC. And let's just pretend here, let's play pretend, where this is the FOMC candle. So say this is the FOMC candle here. This is on a 10-minute YM chart. So you count this as 1, the next one is 2, 3, and then 4. This would be the fourth 10-minute candle here. And then you just simply look for the break. You would go short here, and then the stop goes above. It's that simple.
That's easy.
And then you can look for whatever profit you want. But in this case, YM, very interesting, still has an open gap from Sunday sitting down there. So doesn't have to come down here and fill it, but it's almost acting like it wants to right now. You can see where it rolled over last night for Asia, and then it's just been pushing down all through London and now. So it is just working its way down there. So it'll be interesting to see if we fill this gap before the FOMC, or if the FOMC triggers it to push down into this area. If it doesn't fill and we get a short trigger, I'm gonna look for this as a target down here, which is a couple hundred points away. So pretty interesting. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm seeing right now. I'm just, as far as NASDAQ, I'm just going to react, look for the combo trades, inside, outside bars, things like that, and just react to what Nasdaq's doing. And yeah, that's what I got going on right now. I did get a payout last night
Let's go.
on a flex, so that is
okay.
I'm gonna flex my flex payout, but that's 3 payouts in 4 days, 4 business days. And
Okay.
the flex
W's.
account, we did it live last night. I just wanted to say that the time I took and requested the payout, it was almost instant. And then
Wow.
the time I signed into my bank account, which was after hours, and I have a little tiny credit union in Maine, it was already in there. And we showed it live right on screen. So
Dude.
I had the thumbprint to sign in, so it was literally less than a minute, and it was already in the bank account. So with ACH,
Amazing.
MyFundedFutures for the win. Yeah,
That's the fastest. Oh my gosh.
Congrats, Pine.
thank you. Yeah, working on a builder payout now. I think I locked another one in. That'll be 2 consecutive on the builder. So yeah, just on a little hot streak with MyFundedFutures. It's been focusing on them and just a little hot streak. So still can't get a pro payout though. I still can't get those stupid pro payouts. They're not stupid. It's just I'm stupid.
No.
No.
I think they're the greatest plan out there. It's definitely a challenge, and working on it as a trader just to get that 14 days, and then being able to hold the account, be able to hold on to your profits, all that good stuff. It's a challenge.
Yeah, it sounds easy, everybody, by the way, but it takes a lot of discipline, really a lot. Just be able to not to push the button on those pro accounts to reach the payout window, because, oh my gosh, that's crucial on that. Yeah.
Well, I do see somebody doing a pretty good job on the pro accounts. I think she's on here. Terry?
I don't know. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So let's talk about that a little bit
Depends
more.
on the day. It depends on the
Depends
day.
on the day.
Moving on.
Moving on.
No, I do love the pro accounts because we can really run it up big, you guys. So every trader, we can have potentially up to $100,000 in sim funded payouts. Of course, the firm can move you at any time to live depending on how amazing you're doing, which we also have an amazing live program. Ash will be on with us on Friday with Tom and I.
Will be cool.
Yes. So we'll get to ask him tons of questions about the live account and how he's able to do it all the time. Yeah, it's really exciting. I just shared yesterday a trader with MyFundedFutures that took out $122,000 from MyFundedFutures.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
That's wow. Yeah.
Yeah. And the pro accounts is really the secret, because you can run it up big and take the money and put it into the live account, and then take some money and put it in your bank account.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But Pine, you do love the builder accounts, the 25K or 50.
Yeah, which is currently on sale still. So guys, get that in. Use code YouTube. The builder account's pretty cool. End of day drawdown. That's the key feature for the builder. So end of day drawdown. Getting those utilizing it on day one pass too. So day one pass, and then smacking those 50% consistencies on day one. That's kind of how I like to do it, by utilizing the end of day drawdown. So if you start out well and you have a nice trade, then you can put that on your daily drawdown and add to it. So let's say you have a 50K account, and you start a day with $500. Now you got $2,500 to work with, and so on, and then just try to build it up towards that day one consistency. And then after that, usually day 2 and day 3, it's a little bit different for me, where I'll just I'll still trade a little bit aggressive, but it kind of gives me that little bit of room. But on day 1, I really like to utilize that end of day drawdown to my advantage. And that's and then be able to pass it on day 1, activate it, and then work towards that payout as soon as you pass it.
Yes, it's huge.
It's huge.
It is
Huge.
It is.
The instant activation, instant upgrade, if you trade on Trade of 8, if you select that type of account, in the dashboard, once you pass your account, you can go in the upper right-hand corner. It says like upgrade, and then you can instantly upgrade it to your funded account. So even though, some of the accounts, except for the builder, all the other accounts, it's a 2-day pass. Even though it's a 2-day pass, if you get 50% on day 1, so during New York, Globex or Asia, you trade and you get the other 50%, you can activate your account right then. And so you have your account, your funded account, in less than 24 hours. Like, that's incredible. I feel like that's such a big secret that a lot of people don't realize. It's like, whoa, this is amazing.
You just told the hack to everyone. You just hacked the system, Terry. That's the secret.
I did. Also, I saw a question from Luke. Luke asked, how is it possible that trader was able to take out 122K from MyFundedFutures in sim funded profits? It's because it's potentially up to 100,000 per trader. And I didn't know this until like just a week ago or so. And it's up to the amount of your accounts. So let's say you're trading 3 50K pro accounts and you have profits in all 3, you've taken payouts from them and you're running them up. So it's potentially up to $100,000 in sim funded, plus any additional money above that, up to 150,000 because you have 3 50Ks, can be transferred into your live account. So that's how he was able to do it. It's like, whoa, it's so much money. Anyways,
that's amazing.
Yeah, I would love it if he could come on with us. So we will see. I'm working on it.
Oh yeah, that would be amazing. And it's really just awesome that even if you go over that 100K, you can still use that. It will be still, it's not going to go away just like that. So it's going to be there for you on that live account.
And that's what's special about the pro account, because depending on the account, if you look at the rules as far as what gets transferred to live, every account has its positive points. Like the flex people love because you can withdraw into the buffer. So if you love to get profits right away and not have to hit a profit target, the flex plan is definitely for you. I know a lot of people love that plan too. I haven't really been trading that one. I feel like I need to try.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I mean, to be able to withdraw on the 50K up to $2,000, which is nice. And then you can, like, what I did is I traded it pretty aggressive day 1 and day 2, and then I slowed down a bit, and then on day 3 and so on, and try to get my $150 days in. And then now that I got the payout, this payout, I'm still way above the buffer, so I'm just gonna try to like base hit it for the next few days, and then try to get to the next payout. As long as I make another $500 in profit, and then have 5 days of $150 or more, then I can just take another payout. So hopefully I get payout like every once a week. That'd be the goal for a while on that account. That's gonna be the goal.
Yeah, that's a good target. That's a really good target.
Yeah, let's go. We have about 6 minutes until the market is going to open. Oh, Tom, I see you're in a trade.
Well, I just got hit with a stop loss. Nothing to worry about. It was only 1 micro. I was actually curious if we're going to drop down to an order block down at 811 because we're just going sideways. So nothing special. But yeah, I was about to say, like, I think I'm going to change a little bit on, I mean, not trading strategy, but like the risk management wise, that maybe I'm going to go with the pro account, and I will try to use that 14-day payout window to build up more buffer, like slowly. It will, because I still love the Rapid account. I'm also like having now the Rapid accounts, but like with the Pro account, I feel like maybe that pressure would go away a little bit. Although I know, as Pine said, it will be a little bit more difficult to hold back, especially if you have, like, for example, a really good day or two. You run the account up and you, like, maybe that's the point where you're going to be a little bit scared, like, oh my gosh, should I continue to trade with this? What should I do? Or maybe you're getting a little bit greedy, like, oh, let's put some more on there. But I definitely want to challenge myself on the pro account. So yeah, I'm going to start one 100%. Yeah. Curious.
We should do a competition.
We should do a competition, by the way.
Yeah. Competition. All right, let's go. Starting now.
I'm scared. Terry stays up all night trading. I'm scared.
But I feel like Terry is trading 24/7. Like she's up, like I know. I mean, because sometimes you pop into my live stream in London and also in the early New York stream, and you're here in MyFundedTV. Terry is never sleeping. She never sleeps. She just trades.
Oh my gosh, yes. I am a robot. Always awake, always trading, always excited. Yeah. No, sometimes I don't sleep well. And so I'm like, oh, let me see what's happening in the markets. It's just so interesting, right? It's always moving. Always.
Yeah.
It's always there for you, the market.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have
thing is
3 minutes.
breaking out.
It's breaking out. Myth, are you going to do your pre-orb trade today?
Yeah, unfortunately, last couple of days, I think twice last week and then yesterday as well, we broke out of the pre-orb pre-market and never came back. And we're kind of doing that right now. NASDAQ is already, I don't know, 20 points above. So the pre-orb's this purple highlighted area. If you guys are unfamiliar with it, it's just the high and the low between 9 and 9:15 a.m. And if we open up inside of it, I just take the breakout of whatever side it goes. If we open up outside, we wait for it to move back in. Same idea. We take the breakout of whatever way it goes. So if we get an opportunity, we'll take it. So it really
Excited.
depends. So
Has it been printing lately?
it lost, I think, one day last week. But yeah, for the most part, it's been fine. I mean, you're gonna, sometimes it's gonna lose. So
Yeah.
we're just we haven't been getting the opportunities because it's been opening up. We've been pretty much, one direction most of the days, and that makes it a little bit tricky to kind of do. So we just kind of max mark though.
It's always tricky.
Yeah, we'll see. So what do we got here? We got a minute and a half. Yeah. So it might be a little tricky today to do. We'll see. I mean, if it opens up inside, we're going to give it a go. But I can go ahead and throw my order down here. 69.75. I go one tick outside. So why is it so difficult sometimes to get an order on like that?
Sometimes it
18.
is. Sometimes it is, but yeah, we're back into the range again, swept that high. I don't see anything
Actually,
here.
If I had to use my discretion here, I actually like the bottom side more. Just because we didn't run the wick to the downside, but we ran kind of this wick here to the upside already. So I like the kind of maybe push down to the bottom side first, but we'll see. I still play it mechanically, so whichever one triggers, that's the one we go with.
NQ sitting right at unchanged. So all that movement last night is right back to unchanged right now before the market opened. So it's really sitting right at unchanged from yesterday's close, and then the regular trading hour close, and then YM's down 420 points. So YM's been on a hot streak where it's just been very, very bullish. NQ's kind of been rolling over, coming down. And so you're kind of having a little flip in the money. So it'll be interesting to see if YM pushes down into that gap.
Here we go. Good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah, just dumped here. ES is just dumped through the low there.
All right.
I'm tagged into the long, and we're out of the long.
Yeah, I got into a small long. 46 is my TP, almost out. And there you go, TP hit. All right.
Woo!
It was only just a.
W's.
It was just a small little trade. I was in a small drawdown, but the only thing I was looking for is the 1 minute fair value gap up there. Otherwise, this was only like a discretionary trade as well. So there you go. There was the 1 minute gap. We spiked into it, but right now, I don't know. There's an order block at 811. So be careful, everyone. Yeah.
Amazing.
ES is absolutely unloading right now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Myth, you hit your TP too, right? In your pre-order trade? Yeah!
Awesome.
W's, you guys.
Awesome.
We get it. And NQ popped through here. All right, let's see here. Hit it. Let's go. All right, I just took it on the bottom side too.
Wow.
Let's go. W.
Myth is sprinting.
It took it a moment, but it got it. All right, I am paying attention to the ES here because it's getting a nice little pullback here. NQ's kind of lagging behind a bit here.
Oh, crude oil is up 6 and almost 0.5%, 6.45%.
Took a scalp trade here to 48. If it goes down there, took it. Okay, TP hit. It was super fast. I entered at 73. I got out at 47. But yeah, it was. These things are so quick, guys. That's very quick. Yeah.
I'm gonna try a short on YM just to see. Stop's gonna be at 593. I'm gonna look for a bit of a swing trade. I don't know. It's trying to push up now, but I'm up pretty decent on this account. It's just my bias, just that gap down there. I don't know. But we'll see. It's gonna be a little bit of a swing trade probably. We're up decent on the account. We're up 1,400 on a brand new pro funded.
Ooh.
Nice.
So let's see if we get a nice little rollover, get into that over that buffer. That would be nice.
I'm looking for that sweep of 820 on the NASDAQ here. If we get a sweep of 820 and then a really nice bullish candle back up, we will take that. So that's kind of what we'll be thinking.
I kind of feel like there's still no direction here.
Yeah,
so
you're not wrong. So Tom, do you consider the 820? I'm considering that kind of the London low.
Well, 811. There's a 1 minute order block down there. 811. Actually, I jumped into a scalp. I have to close it down. It was a bit of a loss. I wanted to chase it down to 811, but the problem with the whole situation is that we're right in the middle. So, my favorite levels are those supply and demand zones, which are those order block thingies, although I have a different type of approach to those. And as I said, there is one at 811, but it kind of feels like that we're going back to the opening range high here. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's going to take that out. It's amazing. Wow. Wow. Look at that. These are, yeah, too late. Actually, this would have been a discretionary scalp trade, because whenever you see that strong push, especially on the 1 minute time frame, and you see the market having that very sharp and strong reversal, like most of the time, I don't have a percentage number here, but I would say there's a really good chance to hit the opening range high, like in this case. So it could have been a good scalp, but yeah, anyway, from this moment on, I don't know, there's the 3 minute and the 5 minute fair value gap up there, 28,090. So, which means we should be taking out that 28,058 first. Anyway, there's a swing high there. I don't know. We're in the middle. No, I have no entry. No entry here. At least not a typical entry. Discretionary scalping is the theme for now, guys, because there's just no proper entry. Yeah.
So up right now on this trade, it's down, I'm up about 50 points. It's just hovering here. I don't know. Hopefully it breaks that low at 460 and just keeps going. My stop's right around 250, $300, so it's not a big deal. With one mini on YM. Actually, let me switch to the 5. I had it on the 10. I was like, why does the chart look weird? I forgot I had it on that 10-minute chart, but see if we get that push down.
Okay, 984. I'm going to take a quick scalp, if I can put it in there, a breakout scalp of the 5-minute orb. If we break it, it looks like we're about to break it. Let's see.
There we go. Come on.
Push
There's
in.
90 points on YM. Let's go. Let's keep pushing.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
90 points. It's $5 a point.
See, I need Terry's diamond hands right now. Just kind of go, are we going to fill the gap? Just don't touch the mouse. Right now I'm seeing $500 and I'm like, all right, just take it.
Awesome. Let's go, Terry.
It could be potentially a big trade here.
Oh, wow.
You know, we're looking at $2,000 basically on this trade with one mini if it wants to push down into that gap. But will it before the FOMC? I just don't know.
I like the fact that we got
down.
all of this low resistance liquidity here on the NQ. I like to push back to 28,060, so I've jumped in long here. And let's just see what happens. Little trend line break.
I think as long as NASDAQ pushes up, it'll be good for my YM trade. I'm hoping, because it's been doing the opposite of each other the last few days. So
just need ES to pop above 58 here. If it kind of rejects that 58, we might get out and re-enter.
Okay. We do have the midnight opening price below us at about 718-ish.
Okay, let's see. Okay, back into the range here. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's kind of
coming up.
weird.
Tricky. We are within yesterday's initial balance range.
Okay.
All right, YM starting to push back up here.
Don't know that
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a lot of room.
Interesting that NQ didn't actually tag the 28K, so went up to 97 on the micro and then, you know, pulled back. That's actually not a good sign for the bulls. If it can invert this current fair value gap here, it can just keep continuing lower. So who knows? We might see a reversal here.
Yeah, I went ahead and hopped out of that. Just kind of pulled back.
Yeah.
Oof. Yeah, heading right back to unchanged in NQ. So very much inside.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
it's hard to read this one. NQ is back inside in the range.
Oh, are we about to break out the other side of the 5-minute orb? Myth, are you ready? Are you going to take a scalp with me?
Oh yeah, we'll do it.
Terry wants in.
Okay, the low 836.50 in the full size contract.
Let's
So
see.
this is, I love this trade. It's a reversal off of the 5-minute orb breakout. I was trying to think of a good name for it. I was like, maybe the orb reversal.
Oh, yeah.
I like the sound of that. And then I was like, maybe back it up, Terry. Back it up, Terry trade.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Back it up.
That's an old meme.
Yeah,
An
it's
old
so
short video.
old.
Back
On
it up,
YouTube.
Terry. You guys got to Google back it up. Just Google back it up, Terry on YouTube, and you guys will get a good laugh. I swear, you'll get a good laugh this morning.
I laughed so hard. I like the very first time I saw that, and then I felt kind of bad for laughing.
Put it in reverse. That's right. Yeah.
Put it in
in
reverse.
reverse, Terry.
Oh,
All right,
what a
we're still
string.
selling off here. YM
Yeah.
looking good. This is
Interesting.
not my typical type of trade either. I'll say that. I'm usually just scalping, getting in and out, and then but YM sometimes you catch a nice little move. I'm having a little FOMO because I was short way up here at the high last night, so I'm having a little bit of the FOMO. And didn't really make any money. I ended up closing it out before I went to sleep. So,
Oh,
but yeah. So hopefully it just keeps rolling over, and we'll get a nice little bearish day where, looking at the daily chart on YM, we had a nice bullish move for the last 3 days. So it is looking like it might try to pull back here. Will it fill this gap? I don't know, but
Yeah. Well, NQ definitely feels like it wants to roll over, and I just don't know if it's going to do that or not. Again, there are some good targets on the downside and both on the upside. So in the middle, again, in a coin toss situation here, everybody. I just have no idea. I guess it's because of FOMC, of course. Everybody's kind of... so the market is kind of having that indecisive reaction to everything, just sweeping some internal liquidity, and that's it. No real direction here.
yeah,
That's the
same
problem.
as
Yeah.
YM. Really, it's just going back and forth, kind of chopping.
we're going lower.
It's
Looks like-
happening, Terry.
Yeah, it looks
It's
like that
happening.
5-minute orb might get triggered. The back it up Terry trade.
It's going.
All right.
Yeah, it is just barcoding so far.
Yeah. So far, just barcoding. Not much, everybody. Not much is going on. So strange.
That is what I love about buy stops and sell stops, because you can put your order in there and you can just like relax and not sweat it. So many times, you guys, I've like front run trades, like breakout trades, only to get kabooshed,
Oh yeah, that happens.
splashed like a bug. So
Yeah.
like this way, it's just you can relax.
Now, I will say a trade like that I'm in right now is definitely a trade that I would not try to attempt on a intraday trailing drawdown account. So if you have live trailing throughout the day, where like a rapid, and you're looking like I mean as soon as it went down for $500, I'm trailing that stop. I'm right behind it, probably within $100. Where this is an end of day account, you kind of get away with it. So if it went down 500, went in my favor about 500, and then it pops back up, and if it just stops me out at 250 at an end of day account, it's not a big deal. But with an intraday trailing, just a little tip there, I would have definitely not have tried attempt to do this. It would have been a quick trail. I would have got stopped out already. Hopefully in profit, probably in profit, where it went in my favor pretty quickly. So just a little tip there. People always ask, like, how do you get around intraday trailing drawdown? And it's scalping, scalp until you're over the buffer. And then once you're over the trailing drawdown, so a 50K account, once you're over that 2,100 bucks, then you can breathe and relax, and then trade, do a little swing trading, however you want to trade. But just scalping, 100%. Moving your stop. Don't let it come back against you.
And by the way, how many times does it happening to you guys when you're, like it happened to me today as well, but like you're going down into a bit of a drawdown, and like, obviously we want to get out from the drawdown as fast as possible, but the only way to do it is you're kind of forcing yourself to scalp more. Like, I kind of like to hold those trades throughout the day, like those intraday swing positions, because those are the ones that I really love. But so when I go down to a bit of a drawdown, I already feel a little bit like my stomach is kind of like, oh my gosh, now I have to do more scalping, because usually, that's the fastest way to get back from that drawdown. And I don't know. So the thing I'm trying to say is it a good thing or a bad thing? Is it a bad habit? Is it something, even as experienced traders, we should leave behind? So don't try to scalp your way out from a hole. Just, continue with the regular risk management, or if you have enough chart time and experience, just go for it and try to do it, because I feel like it's a bad habit. And this is what I'm kind of was fighting in my mind. Oh, there's a sound, everybody. There's
a sound. Let's go. Everyone, the form is being dropped into chat. Make sure you get your name on that form for a chance to win a free account from MyFundedFutures. This is how you can enter the race. We will be doing the giveaway race shortly here. 2 of them today. So this is just for the first one. Good luck.
Oh, yeah. Good luck.
And you do have to be present to win. Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Good luck, everybody.
Tom,
so basically,
go on. To answer your question, basically, like the way I look at it is, if I'm not at my daily loss limit, then I think scalping's fine. Mm-hmm. But if you're at your daily loss limit, then no, you should just walk away, because the next day inherently is probably going to be easier. Mm-hmm. So, and trying to kind of fight back is not the most fun thing to do. And typically, when you do that, you're more apt to put yourself on tilt. So, especially if a couple of the scalps don't go your way.
Yeah, so it's a bad habit, everybody. That's why I like, it's something I shouldn't do. Yeah, not good.
So YM and NQ just ranging right now, just very, very choppy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
it's just gross. It's with the FOMC coming up, and a lot of earnings tonight too. So a lot of tech earnings.
Yeah.
Also, so it should be a fun few days after the FOMC. Then we got some major tech earnings the next few days. So
ES is kind of generating some liquidity to the upside here. I feel like if it gets through 58, we probably can get a little pop, but very tricky.
Oh,
it is.
Look at that.
So strange to see this movement here, especially in the middle of this range. It's just, it's not looking good.
Yeah, we're just right above VWAP. Back and forth. Back and forth. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, same in YM.
That 5-minute range on the ES is on 61.25. So let's see if we can close above 58, squeeze through that high, maybe test the VWAP at 65, 66 area. Potentially.
Are you flat right now, Myth?
Yeah, I'm not in anything. I just got the sell limit sitting down there at the low of the 5-minute.
Yeah, I was thinking too, if I want to jump in, but go on, Terry, sorry.
Oh, I just wanted to share a statistic. So from a back test from the past year of the 5-minute orb on NQ, about 65%. It's like 64.7. So almost 65% of the time, both sides of the 5-minute orb will get broken throughout the New York session. So that's why I love to take that reversal trade on the 5-minute orb for a break also. It's just like, it's such a nice setup for a quick scalp.
Yeah.
I think you have
Yeah.
pretty clear liquidity below that level too. I mean, we left the London low down there, or the London low. So I'm expecting it to run through that. So we'll see.
Yeah.
I don't
A
really
lot
have a
of
stop
stops.
on mine right now, but I'll probably go break even if we get 6 or 7 points in profit and just see if it can run through the London
Go,
for a bit of a win.
Go.
I would really love to see that 811 down there. I'm just scared to jump in right now until we're in this range. I don't want to do anything with that. So we'll see. Yeah.
YM's just grinding lower. Hopefully, it hasn't made a new session low yet, but hopefully it does. It's just kind of just ranging.
So London low is 820.
That's what I have it at, but Tom has it a little bit lower. Or I think he's sitting on an order block at 811.
Hey!
Let's go.
I got my scalp.
Nice.
Let's go.
I'm still
Nice,
in.
nice.
Come on, hit the 820. Hit it. Hit it.
It's
I
gonna
was
hit it,
gonna
don't worry,
go.
because it should be hitting 811 at least. So
It just edged me there.
Oh,
Okay,
it went to
don't worry.
822.
Get through there.
you
Oh,
will
there you
get
go.
it. There you go.
Bang,
there
let's
you
go.
Nice. Nice. Congratulations.
Now I think it's a good time to start considering longs. You know, at least for me, that's what I'll do. So if we get some sort of 1 minute inversion back up or something like that, we'll take it. Because we got all this low resistance liquidity above. I think that we could run through that. So
Oof.
let's see what
This is-
happens.
I feel like this type of open is pretty typical before an FOMC day.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
Would you say?
Yeah,
Yeah. And
that,
it
it
should
can be
popping.
for sure.
It can be.
Yeah.
Anything can happen though. I see all of the London session traded within the Asia session. We're just like consolidating, which is yeah, we'll see.
Interesting that it didn't go down to 811, but doesn't really matter because, you know, as Myth said, it could be just popping back up now. If ES also wants to make that pop higher, it will definitely bounce like real quick. Who knows?
It could go down to there. I mean, I don't know. It's just I'm just going to start looking for longs now, but that doesn't mean it's going to go up right now. I got to have the setup, you know, to take the long.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
Mhm.
right now we don't. It's not there. So
Yeah.
I would
Not
love to
happening.
see ES back above 58 if it's going to go, and then you know, look for that squeeze higher. We shall see.
We
Well, I
shall
am-
see.
Just about ready to make a new low. Hopefully, it's trying. It's 52 450. I'm up right around $450 on this trade, but
Wow.
Nice.
you know, I don't know. I don't know what's in. I don't know I don't know what I'm doing this morning. All right, we just made a new low. All right, let's go.
It sounds like you know what you're doing.
No, I'm scared. I just want to take my money. I want to take my $500.
We got a new
The market
5-minute
is the
candle
same.
here, also going into the macro. So let's see if this thing starts to kind of pick a direction.
But
Yeah.
the way I look at it with this pro account, so even though I'm up $500 on the trade and I'm up $1,800 on the new funded today, it's essentially, it doesn't mean anything to me until I'm up at least $3,000, where I can start working on payout money. To me, this is just step 2. I just got to get through the step 2. But yeah, making new lows here. Currently up about $700.
Ooh, it's going.
150 points.
Nice.
Just falling.
All right.
Oh my gosh, it's going.
Yeah, we went
790s.
through 811, 811. There's a fair value gap also. I just don't know which time frame is that. I think it's the, hold on, guys. I think it's going to be, yeah, we have a 5-minute gap just above midnight, 725. Are we going down there? It seems like it. There's a London low also at 735. So that could be a good target.
719 is the midnight low below
So
us.
risk off on this trade. I'm at break even. It's currently up, I don't even know. 100, almost 200 points, but
Ooh,
My gosh.
that's like $1,000, isn't it, on YM?
yeah.
Yeah.
Pine is doing it. Oh my
Live,
gosh.
doing it live. Diamond
I mean,
hands
at this
over
point,
there.
at this point where it's fallen, it's like, are we just going to take out that Sunday night open gap? We have that Sunday night open gap that starts at 52 174 or something like that, and then yeah, it's about a 70-point open gap. So from like 52 102 to like 52 170 ish, something like that. So I mean, it's at this point, it's getting closer and closer. Like I'd be wanting to even hop in. Not financial advice, but I'd probably even hop in now and just look for the open gap.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
ES
Famous
at 30
last words.
Yeah, ES is at 34 right now, which has been a pretty big zone for the ES over the last week. So we'll see.
Oh, about to hit that midnight opening price, you guys.
Almost there. Yeah.
There you
Almost
go.
there.
One more sweep of the low here, looking like it's probably going to income. Why didn't we hold? What's wrong with you guys?
Yeah, sure, right?
Mine did.
He did.
Yeah, I know it.
No, I feel like in my mind, I have to be very clear about it. Like before I get into the trade, is this a scalp trade or is this I'm going to hold it and hodl it diamond hands trade? Because my risk will be different. Otherwise, I'll get confused and then I'll just hold on to potentially a losing trade and turn a quick scalp into I'm diamond handing the trade, and then like bad things happen when
Guys, we got a
that.
very key question in the comments from Abhishek, asking for a friend. If any of you had to blame one person, who would it be? Tom Sabo, or Sam Tabo?
Well, I know where you're getting here, but I always blame Myth for anything.
That wasn't. I didn't see that as an option, Tom.
Yeah, you don't need to see it. If anything bad happens to me throughout the day, it doesn't have to be trading. I just call your name. It's because of Myth. It's easy. It's always easy to remember. Yeah.
They had to delete yesterday's stream because I doxed Tom.
I know.
All right, I'm out of that trade. $850. I can't take it.
Let's
I can't
go.
Great job.
I can't take it. Now, like what I could consider is if we got a little bit of a push back up and then hop into some micros and then maybe look for the rest of the fall. But yeah, it's just
that was
up
an amazing
2100,
trade.
so up over the buffer, which is nice.
On day one.
On day
Oh
one.
my
So
gosh.
we'll keep pushing it probably a little bit today and see what happens.
And what kind of account is that again, Pine? Just curious.
This is the big pro.
Oh, the pro account. Come on now.
All right.
So
Let's hold it together.
What I like about the pro, and it can be a double-edged sword, of course, is that it really feels unrestricted. So you don't have those limitations where you can, if you choose, you can go in with 5 contracts if you choose from day one. So no contract restrictions, and then no daily loss limits, no consistency rules. It's free roam. It's as long as you're just let it go. I guess.
That's
so it really feels like a personal account. That's the thing. It really feels like a personal account, and I think that's been the challenge lately for me.
And they are 50% off right now using code YouTube. Everyone gets 2 uses of that. Any of the pros, rapids, and the builder. Yeah, had to put our code in. You guys want to do the roundtable now? What do you think?
Anytime.
Let's do
I'm
it.
down. Let's go. Wow.
Oh, let's go. Oh, I like this graphic.
I love it.
Okay, let's go with the first one. First topic. So do you trade before or after the Fed news today? Pine, what do you think?
Probably both. Probably both. I think here's my game plan for today. I think what I'm going to do is trade this session with you guys, take a break, maybe go work out, get some food, come back during the FOMC, maybe look for that little system trade of the rule of 4, and then I really don't think it doesn't really make a difference if whether you sit out sessions. It's however you feel, and whether or not you're just trading your edge. So just trade your edge, stick with your edge, stick with the daily loss limits. Don't feel bad. Sometimes it's gonna be good. Sometimes it's gonna be bad. You'll probably blame it. Like so say I'm green right now and I come back after the Fed meeting and then I end up red. And then I'm gonna blame it on trading the Fed meeting, but it's probably not. It's probably me just pushing the button and not trading in an edge. And so it's easy to blame different things. So for me, I'm going to trade after the Fed news for sure. I'm going to trade both, but I will trade after the Fed news.
Okay, Pine says, I'm going to wait until after. What do you think, Myth?
Yeah, I think after is a good option. I think the first hour in the morning on a Fed day is fine. And then beyond that, I would probably try to wait until after. And then because that first 30, 40 minutes afterwards, you typically get pretty good volatility. So I would say most likely just wait till after.
Myth says after. Although that first hour, like all 4 of us, we got lots of W's in the very beginning.
yeah. There's nothing wrong with that first hour. I mean, you can take today, first hour, take some wins. Got good volatility.
Oh, yeah.
How long do you wait until after the news hits before you hop in?
I would just minutes. I mean, minutes after the news hit, and then you're ready to go. So
Myth does it within minutes.
Yeah, no need to
Can't wait.
Yes. Tom, what are your thoughts?
Well, I'd like to say don't trade at all, but yes, we are trading, and it's nothing bad to trade before. I mean, at the market open on FOMC days, but I would like to choose trade after the Fed news and actually after the press conference. Let's see what's the damage. Let's see what's happening, and if I can get some extra points here and there, then let's go for it. So press conference can last for how much? 30 minutes. So I don't care about the statement. I'm waiting for the press conference if I want to trade that, because just one question, one sentence can just put everything upside down in the market. So I just gotta wait after the press conference. Let's see the damage, what's being swept, what's being left, and go for a quick trade if I can. So after.
After. Yeah, just a reminder for everyone for funded accounts with our amazing firm. It is 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after Red Folder News. FOMC is one of those news events that we do have to be flat for. So if you're going to jump in, make sure you just wait a few minutes. I always wait at least 3 minutes just in case.
Yeah, that's a good point. And matter of fact, I said the pro is unrestricted. You cannot trade the news with a pro account. So you can't trade within the news. So it's just be aware of that. That's probably the only restriction. Yeah.
I think if you just wait a few minutes after, there are so many great scalping opportunities off of the 5-minute chart that I love to take scalps off of the 5-minute candles right after really big news. It can be very volatile and scary.
Oh yeah, 100%.
But that's when some of the best opportunities happen, especially if you scalp.
Oh yeah.
Okay, on to the next topic. So trading the stock market. Oh, okay, hold on a sec. Should politicians trade stocks? So recently, I know Tom is laughing. So recently, a bill was passed in the House restricting the ability for politicians to trade. It still has to go to the Senate. So, it can change a lot by the time it gets there, and it has many hurdles to pass. But what do you guys think? Should politicians be able to trade stocks? Tom?
Oh, my gosh. Well, But I'm not in the US, so it's difficult. But overall, I would say no. I would say not really. I don't like the idea. I think there could be some violations coming through that. Politicians can be close to the fire, hearing some really important information there. It's easy to play some dirty tricks, especially again if you're close to the fire, you're having some insider information. They're easy to get those informations. I think it's just unfair to do it. So I don't think they should. Sue me if I'm wrong, but I don't think they should.
Tom says no way. It's not correct. It shouldn't be that way. Pine?
Absolutely. I mean, this is the land of the free. See, Tom doesn't understand. Here in America, we can do what we want. No, I really don't think we should. We actually, interesting. I was reading upon SpaceX, where SpaceX came out, and we had there's 5 out of the 6 people that sit on a military board, whatever. I'm not much into politics, but like a military board that all bought the IPO for SpaceX. So
what?
Absolutely insane. So 5 out of the 6 people on this board bought SpaceX IPO, which is just nuts. Really, if lawmakers are making decisions on things that are going to affect these companies, then they really shouldn't be owning the stock. It's nuts. But it's happening, and I know that they're working on trying to ban it. So there is a bill in place. Will it pass? I don't see it passing. I really don't. I think they're all stinking corrupt, and they're all greedy.
New information.
Myth, what do you think?
Yeah, I kind of agree. I don't think they should be able to, but they can. So at the end of the day, what can you do about it, really? So, I don't think they should be able to, but I don't think that'll ever change. So
no, it will not.
You just have to kind of accept it and move on. I mean, at the end of the day, does it really affect us if they trade the stocks? Probably not. So it's fine. I don't think they should, but it's fine if they do. We don't care. It's no big deal. So
there is an ETF that copies Nancy Pelosi's trades, I believe, and it's beating the market.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's just crazy. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, Trump trades. I mean, I heard he personally doesn't trade, but whoever is managing his portfolio also trades. I wish we could copy his trades. Okay, on to the next. So Bitcoin is a safe haven asset comparable to gold versus the idea that Bitcoin is a high risk gamble. Which is the reality? What do you think, Myth?
I mean, Bitcoin's going to be probably a higher upside just because of the extreme volatility. Gold's volatile also, but it's not like Bitcoin. So in terms of like what's safer, I go with gold. I have a strategy for trading gold. I've never traded Bitcoin, so I don't really know what sort of strategy you could use to make money with Bitcoin. But I would lean towards gold just because it's a bit of a safer option. So
Myth says gold is a safer option, and you stay away from Bitcoin.
Yeah, I do.
Pine, what do you think?
I think Bitcoin. Let's go Bitcoin. It'd be interesting. MSTR is reporting tomorrow after the market close, which is big into the Bitcoin. I know a lot of people that are invested in MSTR, and their main business model is just Bitcoin. Do I understand it? Do I invest in it myself? No, I don't. I don't understand it. I never could wrap my brain around it. I don't really want anything to do with it. I used to buy a little bit of silver, the poor man's gold, and stack it in the safe. But yeah, I mean, if you really want some upside, it's the Bitcoin. But I wouldn't throw any money that I maybe just some side money. If you got some side money, just kind of throw a flyer at it. Just one of those high risk, high reward type of trades. But I know that day trading Bitcoin is pretty fun, and it can be highly volatile, especially through the overnights. And a lot of people trade Bitcoin for that. And I'm seeing it on the poly market as well, people trading the Bitcoin. So everyone's doing a lot of day trading Bitcoin. That's for me. That's all I'd really want to do is just day trade it, and nothing I'd really want to invest in. But that's just me personally.
Thank you, Pine. Tom?
Well, I'm gonna stay with gold for many reasons, but yeah, it's definitely safer. For those of you who know me, I'm not a fan of holding cryptocurrencies. So let me just say that I'm not saying crypto is a bad thing. It's good for many things, but for safety, definitely gold is better. I just feel like Bitcoin is going to go to zero, not today, not tomorrow, not next year. My belief is that Bitcoin is done. For day trading is good, obviously, why not? But to hold money in it, no sir, never ever ever gonna do that. So no, I think Bitcoin had its cycle, it's done, it's gonna go down. Cryptocurrency is the future, but not in the current state and form. So definitely with gold. Yeah, gonna stay with gold.
So no fart coin?
No fart coins. Yeah.
No Dogecoin?
No Dogecoins. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next topic. So when you're sizing, do you size bigger when the market is super volatile versus cutting your trade size in half when it's super volatile? Like, do you put risk on, like, all right, it's time, A+, let's go? Or are you like, no. When it's more volatile, we have to cut our size. 1 micro, 2 micros at most. Which is better for growing your account? What do you think, Myth?
Well, for me, ATR is everything, right? It kind of tells you the sizing that you need for a stop loss. So you should be basing your sizing based on the volatility of the market, because if you're trying to risk $200 per trade, one day you might be able to trade 5 micros, the other day you may be able to trade 2. So paying attention to the volatility and what the stop loss needs to be is a huge deal for your risk to reward there. So if you want to risk $200 a trade, you need to know exactly what the ATR is and calculate that based on, use that for your stop loss. So
how many ATRs do you typically look at?
Well, like the average true range. So right now it's 63 points on the 2-minute chart. So if I'm trying to use a 10-point stop, is it really going to work if the ATR is 63 points? No. So that just means the average 2-minute candle is 63 points big. That's the sizing of it. So I use that to kind of determine the size of my stop loss and what sizing I use as far as if I'm going to enter with 1 micro, 2 micros, 5 micros, that sort of thing.
Thank you, Myth.
Mm-hmm.
Myth says to be smart about it. Pine, what do you think?
I like that tip. That's a very good tip there. Using the ATR as your stop loss. I like that a lot. For me, you just got to size down. If the market's super volatile, you got to size down a little bit. You can't trade your 5 minis that you usually do. You got to go down to at least 1 mini when the market's super volatile. So, and we don't believe in micros around here. So, I'm just a little distracted. I can't believe YM's about ready to fill that open gap, by the way, which is insane.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, you really got to size down. It's just if you get in a trade, I'm talking one trade, and where your stop loss is going to blow your account. That can be pretty tough, especially if you're in a funded account and you're over the buffers. You really got to pay attention to that and throw it in. But I really like Miss tip there of using the ATR to determine the size of your stop if you're trading a little discretionary. So I like that.
Okay, Pine says size smaller and use the ATR like what Myth does. Tom, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I kind of agree with you guys and what Myth said. Like, I'm not using ATR, but you can already see when the market is super volatile. Like, you see those candles, even like we saw those 100-point 1-minute candles, 150-point 1-minute candles. Sometimes you don't even need an ATR to see that the market is going crazy. Yeah, definitely. You got to size down. Obviously, I mean, with 1 or 2 micros on those days, you can make some real good money. So size down. If you want to go with the mini, you have to be really experienced. So size it down, and small size is the key. That's it.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Let's go on to the final topic. stick to the plan or adapt. So sticking strictly to your exact trading rules, no matter what, versus constantly changing your strategy when the market gets crazy, which builds a better trader. Pine?
You really should stick to your plan. I'm having that FOMO right now. I should have stuck to my plan. I had a feeling that we might push down into that gap. So I'm having... So, and it's because I really didn't stick to my plan. It was just, I should have just set the brackets on and just let it go and to see what happens. It really, and what happens is because I didn't stick to my plan, this can send me into that FOMO stage where I start to have that FOMO and I think, well, I could have been up 3,000 on this account and then I'll try to make the extra $1,000, you know, thinking like, oh, pretending that I stayed in that trade and so that's kind of how, if you don't stick to your plan, then it could lead to FOMO and tilt. And so you really got to try to stick to your plan, the game plan. So whether or not it's just rotating an account or what I personally like to do is just have a plan per account. Like this is my plan on this account. This is my plan on these accounts, that kind of stuff. So.
Thank you, Pine. Myth, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with Pine. You got to stick to your plan. I mean, at the end of the day, if you deviate from your plan and it goes bad, I mean, do we have statistics for deviating from our plan? No. We have a plan for a reason. We have rules for a reason. Some might say rules are made to be broken. Hey, sometimes maybe. But for the most part, let's stick to our plan. You know, that's what's going to keep your account safe. That's what you have statistics for. And just stick to the plan and move forward.
Stick to your plan and move forward. I was thinking when you said, do you have statistics for when you switch plans all around? Yes, I do. And it's really bad. It's really bad. Tom, what are your thoughts?
Always stick to the plan, everybody. So there's only one thing to adopt is proper risk management. When the market goes crazy, the only thing you might do or adapt to the market is your risk. Otherwise, the trading plan, you got to stick to it. Okay, if you're new in trading, it's okay to try out like some different type of strategies because you got to find your own way, so that's normal. But if you're getting more experience, you should be finding that one strategy, that one entry model, or that type of market analysis that fits your personality. Go with it, don't change it. The worst thing, by the way, amongst many other things, is to switch strategies. But yeah, don't try to adapt to all kind of different market conditions. Just stick to it. And maybe if you really want to change something, then adjust. I would say adjust your risk management, but stick to the plan. That's simple. That's it. Yeah.
Thank you, Tom. Stick to the plan. If you're going to change anything, adjust your risk management, sizing. Myth, earlier you recommended ATR as an option.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great job, guys.
Let's go.
Round table.
So I couldn't take it. I had the short YM again. I'm already out of the trade. I made another $400. I couldn't take it. Sorry, I was a little distracted there.
Nice. Let's go.
That's how he does it.
Oh, sweet sound. Did you guys hear that?
I heard that.
So I'm pretending that I got the full amount on the full trade.
What do I do with the duck here?
Go, go, go.
Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
We will win.
Oh my gosh, look at those. I don't know what are those things.
That's a banana.
Go, go, go.
Oh, that looks like myth right there.
28 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the orange is trying. $15 seconds.
It's happening.
Go, go, go.
What the heck is that?
That's a camel.
The dolphin and the banana.
Hey!
Oh,
Congratulations. Was it top 15, right?
Congratulations. Yep,
Oh
top
my gosh.
15.
Top 15, everybody. Let's go.
Let's go. That was fun. There is another race, you guys. So if you did not win, stay tuned. It will be dropped shortly.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Look at this.
No.
We've taken out Asia Low.
Yeah,
we did.
YM still pushing down. I did do a little scalp there to try to get into that gap. So as soon as we started getting into that gap, I ended up scalping a little more. Ended up in two minis. Ended up getting in one, ending up in two, and then got out covered down there for another $400. So up 2,500 on this account now. So
Nice.
we're
2,500.
So yeah, so what I usually talk about is that utilizing the drawdown that I have. So now I have $4,500 in drawdown to play with. So this 50K account is essentially a 150K account now. In my mind.
Oh my God.
So like with the drawdown that you have. So like that's kind of how I look at it. So for the rest of the day, like maybe after FOMC, after the market kind of sets up, maybe try another little rule of 4 trade or something like that, and then make a little bit more. It's a possibility. I don't know if I'll stop now. To me, this is the time that I could push it to at least get it into that payout land. And then for me, psychologically, it's about using risk management to try to hold on to it for the next 14 days, which I've been struggling doing, and I fully admit it. But to just kind of use risk management and then looking at it as every single day, once I'm over that payout threshold, that's money that I'm potentially putting into my payouts. So that's kind of how I look at it. I try to treat it like more of a personal account at that point, and then say, well, if I made $400 today, then yeah, I made $400, like as part of my net worth, almost like I made $400 today, or I made $500 today, and then try to keep trading it until that 14-day mark. And so the goal is just hopefully to use proper risk management over the next few days to get to that goal.
That is. And by the way, did you try like for example, working on another pro account, for example? So just not to put everything on that same account, just to try to ease up the risk a little bit there. Or is it something you tried before, or you always just go back, keep putting more trades on that account, or how does it work?
So the goal, I think right now where I'm loaded up with some MyFundedFutures accounts where I have flex accounts that are already over the buffer, and like the flex account and the builder where I just took those payouts on, they're still alive and they're kicking. So hopefully I can start getting payouts on those, and then I won't feel like I have to trade the pro as much. Where I was just solely focusing on those pros before. I mean, it is the reason why I ended up building it up so much, but I was also hyper focused on them. Every trade I wanted to take was on the pros, and the more trading I did, usually the worse it became. So if I was having a bad day, those particular pros took the brunt of it. It just, so I think by kind of spreading out the risk and then having the builder or rapid or something to get those daily payouts really help you out psychologically, and knowing that I don't need to trade the pro every day. Just wait for a really, really good setup, your A+ setups or whatever it is. Or if you have a specific target in mind, like the open gap on YM that we were targeting, it's like that to me, that was like, okay, well, I want to be in on this. You want to feel like you want to be in on the trade and then not just to feel like you have to trade. I think is where you have that feeling where you just scramble to sign on to your accounts because like, oh, I love this setup. Like that's the feeling that you really want to have when you take a trade, especially on the pro, where you don't need to trade it every day. You just got to trade it. You could trade it once a week, once every 5 days, twice a week, whatever it is. 1 trade a day, 2 trades a day, and just get to that 14-day mark. So
sometimes
I do like
it's hard to stop. It's hard to stop at 1 trade a day, right? It's just so hard.
Yeah,
yeah,
definitely. I usually have to have some sort of system or mechanical system in place. Like Miss talks about the pre-orb, or Terry's reverse ORB, back it up, Terry, reverse ORB trade. You gotta have if you have a system, then sometimes it's pretty easy to take the one trade a day. But yeah, no, I'm usually like in that 1 to 3 trade mark on every account.
I like it.
I do see the winners were announced in chat. Are you guys all here?
Oh,
I
yeah,
see
you gotta be here.
Peter Green, Puro, Cora Razan, Prash, Thomas Jensen, System Override. Are you present? MyFundedFutures asked if you're here. Make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm in order to claim your prize. And if you don't, they will re-roll.
They will give it to Terry. So
yes, I'm gonna get all the accounts.
yeah.
No, I won't.
Oh no.
I was kidding. So what do you guys think? We have about 9 minutes left of our session. Are you thinking you're done until FOMC, or will you look for another trade?
I'm gonna be honest. I feel the FOMO really. I mean, because I was eyeballing first with that 811. I left. I mean, I didn't take that short from that mid range of the open. I really wanted to take it, and then there was another opportunity to go for the Asia low, and I was like hesitating, like should I go for it, should I not? So that was the 640 level. I was eyeballing with it, and I was hesitating too much, and actually I missed it. So I'm kind of feeling the FOMO, and also we have FOMC getting closer. So on my end, it would be best not to do anything for the rest of the day. Yeah, before I do something stupid.
Yeah, Tom, you're going to take the rest of the day off.
I'm most likely going to do that. Yeah, I'm going to do that 100%. Yeah.
What about you, Myth?
I'm looking for the ES to reclaim 18, which is working on right now. I'm going to look for a squeeze into the 25 or 23 area. So let's see if we can get
23. That's good.
Let's go.
If it can get up into the 23 here, I will hit a daily payout.
Oh,
So,
we love those daily payouts.
but if it can't, then we won't, obviously. But let's just see.
Oh, so I get to choose someone from the chat for. I'm guessing a. I don't really know what I'm choosing for, but let's go. I'm just gonna, you guys, put a pine tree in the chat, and then I'm gonna stop it real quick.
Pick me. Oh,
so put pine trees in the chat, and then whoever I land on, that's where I'm gonna be. So.
It's
Good
happening.
luck. Good luck. Spam
Everyone's
the chat.
everyone's
Let's go.
scrambling to find the emoji. All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm stopping it. I got J Emerson GB.
congratulations.
J Emerson GB. Someone threw
Nice.
some broccoli in there. I like that. I need to eat more broccoli.
I saw a pineapple.
Broccoli.
Yeah,
Like
because
that.
when you type in, when I say pine, like, so
Oh.
everyone types in pine in the emoji, and then it comes up pineapple, not the tree. So you got to type in tree.
I didn't even know that YouTube has this standard emoji there, like pine tree or pine. Anyway, I'm gonna try it out.
So
Let's
what are
go.
you thinking, Pine, for your plan for the rest of the day?
So the YM still hasn't quite filled the gap fully. I don't. It's still. I think the let's get an exact total. I think on the 5 minute, it was right at the high of this candle is 52,107. So 52,107. We went down to 52,122. So we did leave a little small open gap on the 5 minute time frame. So it'll be interesting if it pushes back down. But I'm done for the next few hours at least. I'm starving, by the way. I think I want Dunkin' Donuts.
Well, after making so much profits, oh my gosh. Yeah.
So pretty good day today. It's just nice to have those targets. It's something I'm trying to get better at, is finding those targets. I know Tom is really good at looking at those levels and targets. So something I'm trying to get better at.
Oh, well,
Duncan.
here we go.
Duncan's
Previous day
gonna
low,
play.
sorry. Previous day low just got taken out. So yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you feeling
like
FOMO, Tom?
My
Sorry?
ES trade is probably cooked
Some
here. Let's
FOMO.
see.
I feel a little FOMO.
I feel a lot of FOMO, guys, because I just left out the Asia low. I left out the 811. Now, previous day low. There's nothing I can do with this. So once I have no more targets, that's when things can start to go really bad on my end, because then I'm trying to force myself into something that's not even there. So if this would be the first minute for me to sit down to trade, that would be a totally different scenario, because I would have to redo the whole analysis, like what could be happening. But right now, this was the plan, and I didn't take it, so it's best to walk away from me.
Just to shut down the charts. Like, why torture yourself if you miss the trade? I actually found myself doing that yesterday. I was like, I got stopped out and I lost this account, and I was like, of course the market went a little bit higher. I was short. The market went a little bit higher and then reversed, and of course it went to the area I was trying to target. And I was like, why am I still watching this and torturing myself? Sometimes it's just better, just close it down. Like, don't torture yourself. It's okay. Just move on. Yeah.
Just gotta move on.
Full gap fill on the YM. So full gap fill. Very interesting. That was from Sunday night open. That it left that, and then it just came down and filled it fully, and just before the FOMC. So that's pretty interesting. So we should have some fireworks where the market's been very volatile and a little bearish. You notice on the NQ daily, the size of the daily ranges, the candles compared to the run up. So you had that run up, and you can see the size of these candles here. And then now, as we've been rolling back over, the ranges are huge. So I don't really expect a lame FOMC, at least. So I think it should be pretty volatile. But who knows?
Okay.
I don't know. Trade what we see.
Yep.
Absolutely. We will trade what we see.
How does it say? It says trade what you see, not what you think. So it's typical like Top Gun Maverick. So don't think, just do. But by the way, that's a good thing, because more chart time is going to help you with making those quick decisions with proper risk management. So I do like that. But at this moment, oh my gosh, yeah, it's a no bueno.
No bueno.
No bueno.
Look at that chart. It's like the ice cream cone pattern.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, this is the daily
that?
too. So like looking at the daily, if this was a 2-minute or a 5-minute chart, it's like, wouldn't you want to be targeting these areas, these inefficiencies, or single prints, or whatever you guys want to call them down in here? It's like all these gaps. It's pretty interesting that we're just revisiting these areas. A lot of people will say, oh well, it's just because of the news, da 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 da. But if you look at the daily, it's pretty technical, I guess, in a way. It just took some sort of catalyst to bring it down, where we were just so parabolic since April 1st. Yeah.
Pine, did you see why you were able to pick a winner to win an account? Did you see why?
Yeah, it was just for being so good looking. I think.
Confidence.
I know. My goodness. I need some of that confidence. It's because chat voted that your trade was the best trade today.
Obviously.
Thank
yeah.
you. Yeah,
that was beautiful.
It'd be a lot of fun if we could do, like, maybe in the future, it'd be so much fun if we could, I don't know if the technology's there, but like around the horn on the old sports show, where we could have chat pick the debates winners, where they could give us points and take them off. That would be so much fun. But yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
For future roundtables.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We will be doing many more roundtables, and also there will be another race, you guys, shortly here. If you did not win on that last race, there will be another one. So stay tuned. We have Ike and Corey on deck. Any last minute thoughts before we head out, Tom?
It was amazing, guys. It was super great. The market was great, and the conversation, the roundtable is amazing. So let's keep doing it, and the vibes are super amazing too. So thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Tom. Myth?
Yeah, I just had a lot of fun. Enjoy being with you guys. Unfortunately, we took a loss there on the ES. It sucks, but what are you going to do? We just lock the account away and come back tomorrow. So
yeah,
yep,
that's it.
Thank you, Myth. Pine?
Plenty more time to trade today. So it could get, who knows what's going to happen. It could get a little choppy before the FOMC, but plenty of time after. There's always tomorrow as well. So just stay safe and live to trade another day.
All right, that is a wrap, you guys. Thank you so much, traders and friends, for joining us this morning. Please welcome Ike and Corey. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
We back, baby. We back at it. Oh, you mute. You're on a mute.
Duh. Man.
What's going on? Thank you for that roundtable. Another amazing roundtable. Love all those hosts. Terry, Pine, Tom, Myth, everybody just rocking it this morning. Especially catching crazy trades. You seen that?
Already, man. Let's get it, man.
Already, man. Yeah, so today's FOMC day. You've traded a few of these days before, these FOMCs?
I have, man. Normally I do decent, man, but right before it, I don't trade it, man.
Yeah.
Here lately I have been.
Yeah. It's kind of, it often is choppy before FOMC, which really for my little Ike CT grabbing a couple points, I like the chop, but I mean, we've had some big moves here. I mean, we are like at like the lows that we haven't seen since May over here, while I'm trying to mark up my chart.
Now my screen, I don't know what I done did, man. My screen is too big. It didn't just maximize. I don't even know how to minimize this joker. I'm malfunctioning over here.
I'm gonna mark up my chart. When we were trading last on Monday, I'm trading that funded 25K rapid, where I could take payouts out once I get over the buffer, which I'm over, but the minimum payout's 500. So I'm at about $1,200, so I need another $300, which hopefully we'll catch today, and then just pull out a quick $5 and we keep it moving. A quick $5 for the family for the weekend. You know what I'm saying?
That's what's up, brother. Man, I finally got one of these rapid accounts to the buffer, man. Finally.
That's where I'm at.
Finally, man. Good grief, it took me a minute, but I think I'm done with that. I don't know. I'm gonna put that on hold right now. I'm trying to trade some other accounts though.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just mark this up, and I'm gonna catch a couple support and resistance, catch a little Ike CT, chat. Make sure you guys remembered the 50% off sale is ending on Friday. Code YouTube. So pick up those accounts now. You don't need to use them right away. You don't need to pass them by Friday, but that discount's gonna go away at the end of this week. So it's a good thing to keep a couple of them in your back pocket. Save some money for future evals. You know what I'm saying?
That is the best deal that's out, man. I don't know nobody else who doing that, man. You got 50% off the Pro. You got 50% off the Rapid. 50% off Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Man, what?
So, you looking for a sell? I was just looking at almost the same thing. We're retesting support. My resistance. We got the EMA up there. I mean,
I'm thinking. Let me see.
It's looking like it would be a nice sell,
It's starting to go down already. I was too late trying to analyze.
Yeah, often when I first come to the screen, if I see a setup, I'll ignore it just because sometimes, if you're looking for something, you find it. So it's like, maybe I'm just like talking myself into it. So right now I'm going to still wait, but I am looking at this sell and really to even fill this wick all the way down over here to 540. What I'm kind of looking at right now. So if we come back up to test this resistance at 650, I am gonna probably put a sell stop. The price to reverse.
The same thing, brother. That's crazy, boy. Brother. Hey, we literally trade the same, man.
Same. So what's up, chat? How's everybody doing? Like the vibes and the mindset. Thank you, Puro Kurozan. We just live in. It's a beautiful Wednesday. We're gonna take it easy. It's FOMC, so we don't want to over risk. I learned how to play with these little filters here, where I want to tell you guys I don't want to be a pig today. So you see, I got my little pig ears going on. Today I'm looking to be a scalper, man. I'm just coming to get it in and out.
Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing that?
Well, it's on Zoom. I'll show you how to do that after.
Oh,
man, you got all these different things,
Man,
look at me. I could be all fancy. Look at me.
Please. I'm late to the party, man.
I'm like Run DMC with I just need a chain. That's it.
Man.
So let's see what's going on here. You know, the move here today for me is to be a little mouse and just get my little cheese, my little nuggets of cheese, and just get out of there. You know, that's my whole plan.
I'm taking a page from the book, man.
Let's see. So yeah, that would have been a beautiful sell, right? That we both saw, right? From 650. Would have been beautiful, but
it was perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna wait just like you, bro. I'm not.
Exactly. Gotta stay calm. That's it, chat. Remember, chat. You know, you don't need to jump into a trade when you first look at the charts, right? You give it a minute. Let's even say your trade would have played out like Corey and I both saw the same type of short. We both kind of waited a minute. It would have played out. We got another candle forming in another minute. The market is not going anywhere, you know. So we just stay patient. That's the secret. That's the key. Stay patient.
That's the sauce.
That's the sauce. I mean, a part of me is almost wanting to go for a small little wick fill if this price turns around here. Now now, you know, this is a 25K account, so I am messing with micros right now until I get a bigger buffer. But let's try a little buy over here just to fill the range up. I'm not buying again. I don't do market buys, so I'm doing I'm going to be doing a stop. So if price turns around and goes up, hopefully it takes me with it. If I'm wrong and it keeps going down, I cancel this trade. That's it. You know, that's why I do my stop orders. I don't want to think I know what's up. I'd rather let the market tell me I'm right. You know what I mean?
So only two trades right now I'm looking at is it got to come back up here, or at least up here to this 9 EMA, or it's got to come back all the way down here to the bottom. I'm gonna get back in to look for a buy again down here.
Yeah. I've got my support at 685, 585. So if this candle closes respecting that, I would anticipate price to come back up a little bit. If we close below 580-ish, I would anticipate this wick fill down here to come straight down to 535. So, and you see, this is why I do my buy stops, right? Because if I did a market buy, I would be hurting right now. I would be hurting. So
I'm gonna have to learn that. I'm not too familiar with like the buy stops and stuff like that, man. Y'all gotta school me, because I'm all about just these positions right here, and I'm just going buy, sell.
yeah, you doing it. You doing it. Beer Trader in the house. What's up, Beer Trader? Big fan. Good to see you.
Oh, I see him in here. Hey, man, let's get the likes up, y'all. Y'all go hit that like button, man. I'm hitting it right now myself, man. Go tell your mom, your pop, your grandpa, your mom, your cousins, your brother, and your sister to come like the MyFundedFutures stream, man.
That's it. What we got going on here? So yeah, we chilling. I'm just waiting here on price again. We got another minute and a half left in this candle. I'm gonna go check out a little bit of Ike CT as well, if we could catch a little something here. I just need a little bit more of a formation to happen.
So, brother, I got a limit order set down here at this 30-minute liquidity zone, man. Just in case. I don't want to miss it.
Right at like 567 over. Yeah, 565. Yep,
565. Yep.
And guys, we're giving away 15 more accounts. We're going to do another Tung Sahar, Cappuccino, Frappuccino, Bombardio, Capardio, Brain Rot Rice coming up. So 15 more accounts given away. So make sure you're here for it. You got to be present to win. Go tell your friends about it. Go to the nearest Apple store, log into every YouTube, come here, join the race. Let's get some accounts. And remember, code YouTube is still 50% off right now.
That's a heck of a deal, man. You ain't gonna find that nowhere.
Heck of a deal. So let's see. Wow, so price is just moving. Again, this is why I do my buy stops, because I know I'm not smarter than the market. I know I can't predict the market, right? So if I can't tame the market, best I could do is follow or dance with the market, right? So I got my buy stop. So if I'm right and price flips and goes bullish, take me with you, baby.
I'm in.
All right, let's go. You're in a buy over here, right?
Yeah, we're gonna see.
See, the only thing that's scaring me is that wick over there, man. You know when I see a big wick hanging out, pause, I try to stay away from it.
I already know, brother. It might go do that gap fill. I'm trying to hurry up and catch a buy before it go all the way down. We'll see.
And I canceled that trade that I had open just because we closed below my support. So right now my buy is not really that valid anymore.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to gap fill. Yeah, it's going to gap fill. It's all good.
Ugh.
It's all good.
Ah!
It's all good, but watch this. Watch this though.
Oh, we going for another one. Let's go. Let's get this
We're
buy.
going for another one.
Oof. Man, we are hitting like, let me scroll back to see when the last time price was over here. We are talking about April 30th. That is when we were over here last. So like, this is just like a little scary area. You know, it's a scary little area for me over here. Let's go. Let's get that push.
I'm so locked in right now. Got it.
Go.
Woo!
There we go.
Got it.
There we
right
go.
back.
Got him.
Got it right back.
Got him.
So I lost. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
No. I was just looking at like where I'd be looking to get in, but yeah. So you're even now. One W, one little L.
Yeah, I lost 200 and then made it right back, but made a little $2.80 on there. I made my money back. That's
money.
I thank you.
That's enough to put my cold foam in my Dunkin' Donuts. It's an extra $1.79. So
man, and you were so right. I thought I was smarter than the average bear. Thought I could get a trade here before I go grab that wick. It definitely grabbed it, bro.
It definitely grabbed that. I'm gonna try a little Ike CT move over here. You know, and now this is with I hope I'm doing this right. I'm messing with these where I piece out. So I have 6 micros that I'm going to be trading with, and it's supposed to get out of 4 of them after 4 points and the remaining 2 after 4 more points. So I'm going to see how we do over here on this little, if we can get entered here.
See, I need to learn how to do that, man. I do not know how to do that.
Yeah, man. We'll jump. I just figured this out. I asked Grok. Grok told me how.
Really?
I said, Grok, how can I go in for 6 contracts and sell 4 at a certain price? Okay, here we are. We're in. Okay, we got it. The first 4. I already sold out the first 4. And that's 6 of them. Boom. Money. Let's see how much we got on that one. $52 on that. Real
man.
Quick.
Money is money. Let's go.
Money. Quick 50.
Money.
Just keep my little stats over here.
Good dub, brother.
Plus 52. Real quick. And you know, every time I do these trades, people talk about micro scalping, which is a wonderful point to bring up, and why MyFundedFutures is so great, because MyFundedFutures does not time your trades. There are some firms you got to have a 10-second timer on your phone, because if you exit that trade in under 10 seconds, they can either kill your account or take away your profits. MyFundedFutures just needs 4 ticks. As long as you're going for 4 ticks, you're good. So that's another amazing thing about MyFundedFutures is you could scalp and you don't need to worry about the time. If your trade took 1 second, a millisecond, or 100 seconds, it don't matter. So, okay, someone said, Ike, I have a question. How many trades do you do per day? So look, I don't have a set amount of trades I'll take a day, but normally I'll cycle through accounts. Not cycle meaning like blow accounts. I mean, I'll go from one account to another. So I might trade one account, get 3, 4, 5 W's on that. You know, small ones, scalps, be up $300 or so, 250, 300, jump to another account. Try to go up 250, 300, jump to another account. This way, if I do blow my account, because I do trade negative RR, meaning I'm risking more than I could win. If I do hurt one account, I should have my other 3, 4, 5 accounts all in the green because of a high win rate. So I don't have a set number of trades, but I do protect my profits. Once I see an account that has enough profit in here for the day, let's go to the next account and just try to keep building profits. That's the beauty of prop firms, you know? You getting into this over there, right there?
I thought about getting in for a buy to go up to the EMA, but I don't trust it, so I'm going to prepare for a sale.
Yeah, for me, I got to wait for this 5-minute candle to close over here, because if we close, it's also a 15-minute candle. If we close above this support, I think we might then be able to bounce up a little bit, especially this EMA is kind of high up there. But if we close below, I think we might just keep going down, you know?
I mean, I could have got a nice little trade, but I didn't trust it, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to get in for a sale if it come touch this EMA.
I like it. I like it.
Not yet. Yeah. A doo doo
Oh,
doo. There we go.
we got that do.
A doo doo
Out.
doo.
Got the brain rot giveaway race. Form has just dropped in chat, guys. 15 account giveaway. Invite your friends. Tell them if they win, they got to hook you up. That's how you do it. Get a little piece of the action. You get 20 friends invited. Someone's going to win that, right? Someone's got to win.
And we got the rock with the tung 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 chum chum.
Oh, yes. Tung 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 saha cappuccino bappuccino. Bombardello datetalo.
Tung tung chum.
Keyword brain rot, everyone. Keyword
My God.
rot. No, it's keyword rot. R-O-T, guys. Keyword rot.
Oh, that's funny.
So yeah, right now, this is like today is a big indecision day, right? Because we're all waiting to see what FOMC is going to do. A bunch of people already know what FOMC is going to do, which is like, there's a little bit of manipulation where sometimes they're going to anticipate price to come up after FOMC, so they drag price down in the beginning, so all the big institutional deep pocket people could pick up at a deep discount. The news comes out and they can get out, right? Like that's something to look out for. Are you in this?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Nice.
Waiting to see what I'm gonna do, man.
I'm gonna have to put another level of support over here because we keep going lower. So I'm just gonna scroll back again. For everyone watching, I trade support and resistance, so I need to look at previous. Oh, there we go. I'm looking at previous price to mark up my levels, even if that means going back to April, because I need something to look at here to tell me what price is likely gonna do.
Well, I decided to get in for a sale, and they decided to go the other way.
They're watching us. They're watching us.
Well, I'm wrong about that. They just kept going.
Yeah, push down, then a push up, and then. So for me, I want to see if this is going to retest this high. If it does, and looks like it's going to respect it, I'd put a sell stop, probably toward the middle of the candle, in the anticipation of price then rejecting. And again, if it doesn't reject, I cancel the order. I never get put into it. No harm, no foul. We all live another day, And I think someone asked how many trades I take. There's probably 10 to 15 trades I cancel that I place the order, but it just never gets filled, and I end up just canceling that order. So I put in a lot of orders, but they don't always get filled, right? Man, now it's turning around. Come on, man.
I'm getting in again, bro. I'm going to get man, I'm like, it had to do me dirty. I'm gonna give it another chance.
Man, these wicks is crazy. That's kind of what's holding me back here. Is like, I'm a big believer in these wicks gotta get filled. And when I'm seeing wicks to the top, wicks to the bottom, I'm just like, man.
That's exactly what I'm going for, this wick down here, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Going for that bottom wick down there.
Let's see. Depending on where we can close here, I got another minute left in this 5-minute candle. If we close below here, I think we will continue down over there. Look at that move. Nice. Keep it going.
I didn't take profit. I'm still waiting.
See, the thing that scares me too is that wick to the top. You know what I mean? That's
man.
I'm scared, I'll be the first to admit I'm a scared trader, but I'm scared because I've been burned. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I might have to get out of this. Yeah. Man, I should have took that, man, but thought it would have continued to go down there.
Yeah.
Well, that's done.
See, and the problem for me here is also on the 15-minute. Look at that wick. Look at the size of that wick. Pause.
Yeah.
Like, how am I supposed to get, like, so here we go. We got 20 seconds left in this candle. If this candle is closing below here, which it looks like it would, I think that maybe we could push back down. Let's see. Let us see. I can't take the wicks. If you can't take the wicks, get out of market. I know. It's not, I use it. I'm more when I look at these wicks, I use them as like either a magnet or a warning. So it's like if I'm looking to go short, but I see a big wick to the left going up, a big bullish wick, you could say, I just stay away because wicks get filled, So I'm scared of them, but in a good way. You know what I mean? I use it as like a warning sign, you know? What I think I'm going to do here is if this candle flips, where are you getting into? You getting into a sell as I'm looking at the
Another
same
sale.
thing.
Yep.
Looking at the same thing. I just want the candle to flip a little first before I put the order in. But I'm looking at that same move. Create limit orders, stop. I'm in a sell. I put a sell stop over here. If price turns around, I'll be in it. If it keeps going up, I won't be in it. So it's like, okay, I like how we totally came up to my resistance and then respected it, started pulling back. It's a good bearish sign for me, you know? Let's see where we're pushing.
Yeah, I lost it again. Man, I cannot judge this. I gotta quit, man. I can't judge it right.
Yeah.
Hey, get right if my name would do right, man.
Let me help out real quick. Ready?
All right.
Look right over here.
I'm ready.
Ready? All right, it's 10:30. We're ready to start trading. Let's start the day.
All right, man.
No trades.
What we got going on?
Let's see what's going on. Let's see.
What's up? What we got going on, man?
You know, FOMC day today, so we're gonna just take it easy, see if we could scalp a couple trades. You know, just take it easy. Fresh day, nothing to worry about.
It's all good in the hood.
Exactly. Oh, okay, we in a little trade here. I'm in a sell. I got activated on that push down. And let's see. You know, the downside of the sell stop is you always get a worse fill. Oh, look at that. It just came to take me. I gotta start. I gotta use this thing on myself right now.
Here. I got you.
Okay, you got me. Okay.
Here, man. I ain't got no pen or something. Here. I'll use the phone, man. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here you go.
Oh, all right, feeling good. Whoa.
Oh, what's up with you, man? Hey, no losses. We starting
no losses
over.
yet today. We starting the day off fresh. We doing good. We doing great out here.
It's all good, man.
So I'm gonna put one more little a sell stop in here. I might get stopped out here, but if I don't and price does turn around, I'm gonna get into one more entry. I put a sell stop in the middle of this. Oh, never mind that. So we got an L on my support and resistance trade over here. We had
that went straight through it. I didn't look at your screen.
Straight through.
Jeez. It's all good, brother.
What I drop on that one? Let's see. About 130. All right. Let's see what we got cooking. All
good. Ooh,
also got the hourly candle coming up right now, which also is something that I get a little nervous about.
What time?
So we try an ICT scalp again, right here at the top of this candle. Maybe a little bit higher just in case. Yeah, so, we're gonna try a little ICT scalp if I can catch it.
All this crap right here is trash. So the next sale that I would get in, man, got to be at this. I would get in a sale up here at this 30-minute liquidity zone with that purple 20 EMA up there.
I like it. So yeah, you know, today for chat watching, it's best to take it, reduce your risk for today, be careful on your trades because the market does weird things on FOMC day. You know, there's lots of insiders that knows what's going on. They're making little trades, they're making moves. You got to just be a little careful with it. Have tight stops, even if like, oh wow, if you didn't have that stop, it would have turned around. It doesn't make a difference. Better to take a couple L's than blow your account today. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Let's see. I'm gonna cancel this order now. Price came all the way around back down.
It looked like he keep going to grab these wicks and then push higher, man.
It's tricking us. It's after us. Chat, remember, like the stream, share. We got that giveaway coming up. Let's get it. Tung sahur. Are you gonna put a buy limit in there if price comes back down? I thought about
it, man. If it do, but it's starting to take off. I've noticed on the 3-minute time frame, we go up, we fill the gap. We go up, we fill the gap. You know what I'm saying? I keep seeing the same repeated thing, man.
Yep. Let's see it. See.
I'm gonna prepare for it. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this candle a little bit more time to form over here, but I am liking a buy kind of because I got this candle closing above support, retesting support with this candle. So let's go.
I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in.
I kind of want to wait for this candle and make a little bit of a move first, but I do like the buy over here on the flip of that candle.
Man, go.
Damn.
Oh, jeez, boy.
Come on now.
Ooh-wee, I'm rotisserie.
She.
What the?
Yeah, what the heck? What the
For
shazam,
real.
bam, slam, jam. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm gonna call the market makers. Hey, market makers. Yeah, what's up, Mike? You gotta fix what's going on. The market's a little broken.
Oh, the market's
Hey,
broken.
Yeah. Get this working, please.
Hey,
All
get
right,
this together. I agree with him.
That's it. All right. Yeah. We don't have to call. We don't want to call back again.
If you ain't careful, we're gonna come over and jump you.
There we go. Got him. Yeah. I am kind of liking the buy still, but with 4 minutes left in the hourly close, I gotta wait. I gotta wait on this hourly candle right now.
Yeah, I'm done. It's got to do something else for me to get in.
I mean, it's really just like it's been messing with us, right? Like catching us, moving in our direction and pull back. I mean, some days it feels like that. It feels like that, I tell the market makers, go watch someone's live account. Don't mess with my sim funded account. Leave my sim funded account alone.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait now, man. I think I got. Shoot, I'm like 1 for 4, 1 for 5.
Man, one nice move's all we need here. I mean, I do feel like we could fill this range back up if this candle flips, but
you talking about come down?
Well, no, I think that if this current candle could flip back bullish, I think then we could fill a range all the way to 650. But if it doesn't flip, if it doesn't go from, if it doesn't turn green and keeps pushing red, obviously not. But
yeah,
I would put like a buy. If it wasn't almost 11 o'clock, I would have something like a buy on the flip of the candle. Like if that candle would flip, I'd have a buy like that and kind of get into the trade as it's turning bullish and try to ride it up. But
that's the same thing I was looking at. I was like, nope, you ain't finna get me. I was just thinking of the same thing, dude. I was gonna put mine right there, bro. That's crazy.
Let's see.
You're not finna cook me again.
Yeah, Duddy Don saying I got a bearish bias. Yeah, I mean, how could we not have how? I mean, look at his chart, right? Like, tell me what's not bearish over here, right? But let's keep in mind these green candles here, even though this is a 5-minute chart, they're like 40 points, right? So even if you're bearish, doesn't mean you can't catch 40 points popping up, right? Like, so it's, the bias for me often, I don't like having a bias because it kind of makes you think like, oh, you know what's up, when really you don't know what's up. You know what I mean?
Got you. Hey, man. Somebody said they see Ike and Chris Tucker. Hey, man, come on, man. Move the markets, man. Push the button.
Do you understand the words coming out of my mouth?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Man.
See, now it's flipping bullish. But like I said, when it's almost 11 o'clock, I gotta back up.
I agree with you 1,000%.
Let's see, for the 11 o'clock hour, I'm going to put on my money-making hat, and we're going to get to business now. That's it. 11 o'clock, we got to do it. I even got change in this hat.
That's crazy.
Even some change coins in here.
That's funny, man.
Let's see what we got.
Log into this account, man. I'm tripping, man.
Actually, Cold is saying, my 4-year-old is cracking up at Corey.
Man, you're tuning into the Laugh and Trade for exciting Core of the Phone Trader, man.
Lunacy asks, Ike, do you like trading the nighttime session? I do like trading the nighttime session for my Ike CT, not so much support and resistance, because Ike CT is more about scalping a few quick points. Nighttime, oftentimes the volume's not really there, where we just kind of range between 20 to 50 point ranges where I could scalp my heart out. With support and resistance, it's just not, there's not enough follow through at the nighttime. So I like to scalp nighttime for sure. So, but you know, usually between like 8 to 11 p.m. Eastern is some good scalping time for me. Let's see, we're closing above. Is this the 11 o'clock turnaround?
Is it?
Turning around now? What we doing here? Let's see. Yeah, I might have to get into a little buy stop here if this candle flips. See if I can catch it, get into it on time.
You
getting into a buy too?
Yep, I'm in a buy. Cook it. Betty
I got a
Crocker.
buy stop. I got a buy stop. If this candle flips, I'll be entered in this trade. If it keeps pushing down, no harm, no foul. Let me move this a bit.
Yeah, this mob playing around. It's playing around.
I'm in a little trade over here. I'm in the buy. You in the buy. You're up 65. Oh.
I was up 100.
Yeah.
I'm letting it go. It's
Okay.
got it. I'm letting it go.
Where do you have your TP?
My TP is up here almost at this 9 EMA. I'm letting it go. You gonna
Okay,
you
up
gonna have to hit
50.
it.
Up 50, up 40. Let's see.
All right, I'm
Up
breaking
10
even.
points, 20 points. I mean 15 points here. I'm gonna start
breaking
trailing.
All right, I'm out. Got it. Finally.
Whoa. There we go. There's that pop. Up. Let's go. Up 25 points right now. We still moving. Oh, there we go. We still pushing.
Finally, boy.
And you see, I'm trailing my stops. I'm not turning this W into an L, I promise. Trailing those stops. We're up 30 points right here. Boom, 30 points on that. Let's go.
Let's go. W, man. Let's go, man.
1-on-1 on support and resistance. Pretty much BE on that right now.
Now,
Okay.
guess what? I'm feeling froggy.
That's it. If you feeling froggy, then leap.
I'm feeling froggy, so I'm finna leap. I might go for a sail if it come up here. We ain't never scared. What? We ain't never scared. What?
What?
Okay.
So here we go. If Ike uses stops, he's unfunded. Evals don't get stops. Duddy, that's not always true. It depends on like if it's a 50% eval, a 50% consistency or whatever. But yeah, for the most part, if I'm trying to just pass an eval, I won't use a stop. You know, for the most part. If I'm funded, of course, I'm using stops every time. Let's go. So this is right. That's right by the resistance 650 that I have. So this is a great place to push down.
What you gonna do, Willis? I'm out of there.
That's it. In and out.
Got $100 off that.
I'm gonna try a little Ike CT at the top of the range here for a little sell. See if we can catch something on this. You see, I got a sell limit right at the top of where my resistance is. Anticipating, even though price came up there, I'm anticipating it to test it one more time and then pull back. So that's what I got cooking right now. If this isn't filled, if my order doesn't get filled in the next, let's say, 2-3 minutes, we're gonna cancel it and go again. Try something else.
Can
Let's
I
see.
trust that? I don't think I trust you.
I gotta put on my little bandit mask over here. We just scalping this market like this.
Man, see, I gotta do that, man. That is so tight. That is so
Got
clean,
the
man.
bandit or the pirate. Arr, let's go get this.
Arr. Hit the TP. Come on, arr.
Come on. Let's go. Almost race time, everybody. It's almost race time. Let's see if wow, then Big push down here. It's kind of a big bullish push back up after that. I might cancel this order. I think I'm going to cancel this order just in case. We'll wait for something else to happen here.
Yeah. My initial idea, it ended up playing out. We staying up under this 20 EMA. I like to think that the market makers are watching the stream. They want to hit stop loss and then go full TP.
Excellent.
Excellent, yo.
Corey's in a buy. Push it down.
Bathroom.
Excellent.
I'm good.
Let's see. Pretty much BE so far for me. I'm pretty much break even today with I took 3 trades so far here. 2 W's, 1 L, but because I got the negative RR, I'm risking more than I could win. Even though I won 2 and lost 1, I'm still at break even. So
yeah.
Let's go.
This is so gutsy, man. Ooh.
Let's see.
I so want to take this one.
I know. I think I'm putting that sell limit back on the top over there.
Hey,
see
man,
if
we
price
got
pushes back up a bit.
We got so many rejections here, man.
Let's see.
I'ma wait, man.
So chat, is chat green or red on the day? Let's see. 1s if you're green, 2 if you're red, 3 if you're just waiting until FOMC and you're just hanging out to have fun today. Let's see. How's the chat doing today? We got a 1. We got some 1s. That's what I like to see. Some 2s. Some 3s. All right. Patience. A lot of 2s. Some 2s. Listen, guys, 2s. So when you feel like the market is difficult, just remember, it's only because you guys are so sexy that even the market gets hard for you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, pause. Pause. Heyo.
Mamma mia.
Lost 87, not bad. You can make that back in no time. D2 fly channel. Bunch of 1s. I'm loving it. Let's see.
All right, you come up here again. I'm getting in. Play with me if you want to here.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing.
It keep playing around here, man. I'm gonna give it a shot, bro. Now when I get in, you won't do this. You see what's up, man?
I do. I'm gonna try a little ICT if we can retest over here. I'm also a little scared because I got these big wicks over here. Okay, I'm in a trade right now. In a little ICT.
How dirty do you gotta be? You are.
There we
50.
go.
You got it?
Got it.
Let's go, man.
Boom. Cha-ching. All right, so now we up already. Now I'm up on the day.
I feel like pressing the button. Press the button.
Yeah, so guys who are first seeing me scalp, I guess you could say, my ICT is really, I'm looking at a 5 or 15 minute candle. I'm putting, after it forms for about 2-3 minutes, so I wait about 3 minutes into the candle, I'll put a sell limit at the top or a buy limit at the bottom, depending where price is. I'll take either one. And I'm just going for 4 to 6 points. That's it. Now, normally I'm doing this on minis. Here I'm on micros because I have a 25K account that I'm playing with over here. But, normally I'm aiming for about 80 bucks on one mini. Try to catch 3 of those on an account, and then I move to the next account. Quick 200 bucks and change. That's a good day. That's a good day.
I'm over here karate chopping the markets. I got my little profit and got out. It was like $100.
I like it. That's it. You've got to put on that bandit mask. I'm
gonna just start karate chopping.
That's it. We're here for it. All right. If price can respect this, I want it to push up a little bit more, but then I would get into a sell to take this big 5-minute wick right down here. I mean, this is we're respecting, but I need a little bit more of a, I want to see a little bit of a push up first before I get into a sell here. So I'm going to wait. If I miss out, I miss out. We wait for the next candle, but it's better to miss out on a trade than take a trade against your plans and take an L. One thing that the whole roundtable was saying, all 4 hosts were saying, follow your rules. If you don't follow your rules, you're really just chasing your tail in circles. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but you'll never really get anywhere. So you got to have rules. You got to follow those.
I don't even know where we are on likes, brother. Let me go check, man.
Oh, I still got my bandit mask on. I don't want to scare anyone away. I don't want to scare anyone away. Look out.
That's funny.
And there's that wick fill. But, no regrets. Like, I know I wanted to take this down, but I needed a push up first to pretty much take this wick high before I'd get into the sell. But look at that wick fill. Like, exactly what I was saying, but I didn't get the reaction I needed first. So we just wait for the next candle. It's no biggie.
All right, man. I got a special announcement, brother. If you mind, right quick.
Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, listen up very closely now. We have 359 likes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Let's hold up now. Now let's try to make it 400 likes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Woof woof meow.
Come on, we got the brain rot race. How can we not have more likes when we got tong 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 Sahar coming up? Come on, guys. 400 needed. Let's go.
Come on, you can do it. Come on now. Okay. Hit the like button, y'all. Okay.
Like the stream. Share the stream. Let's see. See, I got to wait for a closure here. Like if we respect my support over here at 586, I'm liking it to go back up to fill this range up to 649. If we close below, I'm below 580-ish, I'm liking us to go all the way down to 530. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm waiting on a close. I need a close over here to kind of give me an idea, because really we could see either one happening, right? Let us see. 379.
Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
No, I was just reading the chat.
If you guys haven't noticed, I'm a very aggressive trader. We karate chop over here.
That's right. Oh, look, this is if I'm practicing ICT, the unicorn method, right? There's a unicorn trade, I think it's called.
That's funny. Well, I missed my entry. I got the gap fill that I wanted.
You're looking for, I see, you're looking for price to pop back up there a little bit.
It actually already hit it. I just didn't press the sell button. Come on, Corey. Push the button. Sue Young style. Corey.
Come on now.
I did not press it.
Let's see what we got going on.
I'm going to possibly wait again.
Yeah, another minute left on my 5-minute candle to close, so I'm just kind of waiting on that. I want to see if we're going to be... Oh!
Y'all know what time it is. Uh-oh. That must mean the race
time. 8 more likes, guys. Come on.
8 more likes. Let's go. Oh, we got... Shoon, pain, pong.
I got to pull up those names again.
Man.
Hey. Oh, boy. Here we go. We got Tralalala Tralalo coming. We got Bonica Ambalulu coming. Look at that. Is that Ballerina Cappuccina up in first place? Oh no, it's Cappuccino Assassinino coming up behind. Is that Chimpanzino Bananino? Oh no, look out. It's Lili La 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 La. Oh, who's coming up for that? It must be Burbur Batpapam. Oh my goodness. Who is that? Is that? Don't tell me that is Coco Fanto Elefanto. Oh, no. That's Trigger Walla Watermelon. Hold on. Did Sharkfoot win again?
What happened? Oh, they messed up.
Oh. Run it back. Run it
Spin
back,
the block.
Turbo.
Spin
Run
it.
it back, Turbo.
Oh man, that was funny. Dang. Let's go.
All right. Oh, that's Chimpanzini Bananini. You up in front. Followed
All right, let me
closely
get my-
behind by Lara Lila Lala Lala.
Let me
Labakata
get my energy
Saturno
back.
Sanona. Oh, is that Frulili Frutatata? Oh boy, that's
Toot, toot, shoot, shoot, ping, ping, boom.
There goes where's that shark guy with the feet? Hey. Oh, that's Quesadilla Crocodina. Oh, dal, sendal, rundal. Uh-oh, it's Appy, Pee-Pee, Pee-Pee.
Banana whale.
Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-lilo. He's
Shoot,
out
shoot, ping,
again.
ping, ping, boom, boom.
Where is Ballerina Cappuccina at this time? Where is Ballerina Cappuccina?
What's some
Oh
of these
boy,
names?
we got Cappuccino Assassinino coming in.
Alligator watermelon.
Oh, is that Giraffa Celestial?
Hey, what is that? A coconut and a gerbil?
Yeah, that. Oh, one of those.
What in the world?
Gerbil coconut, got it. That gerbil coconut got it
Congratulations,
again.
y'all. Congratulations to all of y'all.
Congratulations, winners. 15 winners, guys. If you didn't win, 50% off still. Code YouTube for the next 2 days. You don't need to use your account in 2 days. You can pick it up now, put it in your back pocket, pull it out when you need to. Hey, pause. So let's
I'm
keep
so
it.
I'm so out of breath over here.
Oh, I know. Trying to read all these brands. I'm pulling up this.
My gosh.
I'm pulling up my cheat sheet over here. Look at that. Look at my screen here. I'm pulling up my cheat sheet with everyone's name on it. That's how I'm learning everybody.
I'm out of breath over here, Willis.
See what we can catch here. Still looking to catch a couple more trades. You know, up a little bit today, but not enough. You know, not enough yet.
I'm in a trade right now, brother. I went for a sale. I was looking for that retest like I wanted.
Like it.
We're up 130.
Let's push it.
I should have took some of that. You know what? I'm ready for the X button. I'm
Finger
looking
on
for
the
it to go
button.
back down. Yeah. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good.
Come
Not
on
good
now.
at all. Not good at all.
Ooh, let's push it.
You
Let's try
were
a quick
supposed.
ICT here if I can catch it.
You were supposed to go down even more for me to take TP. What is wrong with you?
I'm also trying to get in this cell here if I can get activated. See what happens. I'm in. I'm out. I'm out of half, and I'm out of all of it. Let's go. That's knock that to 3. All right, now we're up a nice little hundo on this funded rapid account. So we're at about close to 1,300. I need another 200, and I can pull out a quick 500 from this account. That's where we're at. Let's see. Let's see. I'm still looking. I'm still looking.
Oh yeah, we're looking all right.
Still looking.
I want to go right back in.
You still looking at that cell? Yeah.
Yep. I'm going back in. Got it.
Nice. Quick. Quick with it. Quick with it.
Hey, if you notice, man, I'm a little on the hype side today, bro.
Oh. How can we not be hyped? How can we not be hyped? We live in the dream. Still pushing down over here. Man, I'm tempted to jump into a little. I'm going to put a sell stop, I think. See if I can catch it. Just to fill this range down, really. Little support and resistance action if we can get it. Oh, it's missed it. Oh, man. All right. We'll see. I might still be able to get back into it, but right now I missed it. Yeah, I was a little slow with it. A little too slow with it. Let's see.
Yeah, I might take me a chill pill. I need some ice. I need some Sonic's ice. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Let's see. Let's see if I can maybe catch into a sell still. Is it still possible? I just needed I want this to push back up to kind of retest that resistance in the 580s. And then I would put my sell stop here. You know, I missed my first one. Let's see if I can still get in it.
I'm trying to see where you at. Oh yeah, you in a sale right now?
No, I want to. I just need price to come up a little bit more,
Gotcha.
and then I'll get in. Then I'll put in the stop order.
Got you.
And remember, chat. Be careful today. We got FOMC today. Things get wild. Things get crazy. You know, like you got to have a stop loss, size down. Man, I missed it. So just keep that in mind. That FOMC is around 2 o'clock. So it's a good idea to just totally walk away by like 1:15. Come back at like 2:30 and see what's going on, you know? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna catch this. See, we can get a push. We get a nice push. All right, let's. Oh, missed it again. Come
Come on.
All right, I got a sell stop in there. I'm in.
You in there? I see it.
Let's see if we can catch this here. I'm gonna be trailing aggressively, like I was saying, guys. Is FOMC day today. I'm gonna also cut. I probably won't even let this run all the way to stop loss here, just because. There we go. Let's keep pushing. There we go. We're 10 points in. Keep it moving. I moved my stop in.
Got it.
Quick little dubs. Nothing crazy.
Cha-ching.
Nothing crazy, but dubs is a dubs.
That 5 minute looking nice.
You know, and you see, Corey and I really trade with a very similar, same strategy. We look for kind of rejection areas, liquidity, you know, kind of where price starts to reverse or turn around. We jump in, we jump out. We're not jumping at different strategies, trying to learn the next hot thing, order flow, this and that, you know, because the thing about the market is it always makes sense. So when you're looking for something, you'll always find it. And when I was back testing and trying to learn how to trade, I realized that I was seeing everything, which really means you're seeing nothing, right? If you're seeing everything, you're seeing nothing. So I stopped looking. So I'm like, I'm not looking for all these crazy new things. Let me just look at the previous few candles, see what price is doing now, and that's what I'm looking at. Because if you see everything, you really see nothing, right? So
I used to look at the daily, the 4 hour, and all that. There's no point no more for the way I trade, man.
Right. Exactly. It's just it's a bunch of information that really you don't know what to do with. You know, you want to think you know what to do with it, but really, you know what I'm saying? So
to each his own, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
If you do that, more power to you. Not me.
Nah, if you're profitable, more power to you no matter
Yeah.
what you're doing. But if you're not profitable and you're still doing all these extra things, you being so extra and you're not profitable, maybe don't be so extra, right? Maybe let's just chill out a bit and just follow price without thinking too hard and see what happens, you know?
Yeah, I think I'm done, brother. It's just, yeah, if I was gonna get in, it was gonna be right there to go for a sell, exactly like what you did. But on the 5 minute, the 3 minute, and the 1 minute, we have feel like so many gaps, so it's just ranging. So, I mean, next time I would have to take a trade, will possibly be back up here. But I feel every indication the market is going to be Teddy Roosevelt and then go shoot past it. So I'm done. I'm over.
I'm going to just put a sell stop kind of in the middle of this candle if the candle flips to keep going down. If it keeps pushing up, I just cancel this order. So right now I just have an order in at 574, a sell stop. So if price does turn around from here, if this candle does change really in the next 3 minutes or so, because, you know, I stay away from the hourly candles. I stay away from a lot of even 30-minute candles just because I don't like that crazy movement. I don't like a crazy push one way or another, you know? So I'll keep my sell stop here, give it another couple minutes. Okay, with this keep pushing, let's see. I'll just leave it in for right now. See what happens.
Oh, I see where you at. I see what
Yeah,
you're
so I
doing.
just got to sell stop sitting there. If price pushes down, I'll be in it. If it just keeps running, then I won't. Let's see. Oh, it's getting close.
So you're looking for a continuation to go down, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much. And if I'm wrong and it keeps pushing, then I'm just going to close this trade. I'm going to cancel this order in probably another 40 seconds or so, being that it's already after 11:25. We got 4 minutes left till the 30-minute candle closes, a 15-minute candle, the 5-minute candle, the 1-minute candle. All these candles are closing in 4 minutes. So I don't need to be in for the silly part, you know? I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm not trying to be a little piggy over here, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to get my money and be cool. I'm just trying to stay cool.
Hey, you gonna have to school me, dog. You gonna have to school me, brother, because I like that, man.
You know, when I see price going this way, I just hop away. I just go hopping away. You know,
got her with the flow. I got
I'm gonna go as far away as I can, man. I'll go as far away as I can.
Let's go, man. Knock him out, baby.
We keep it going. We keep it going.
Let's go, man. That man got bars over there, man. Oh man.
People say, like, you know, why are we such good scalpers? I say because we are. Yeah.
Keep it going, man. What else you got, man? What else you got over there?
Let's go. We
keep it rolling.
I don't even know what that is. But...
What is that? A pencil?
Loading, I guess.
Oh,
my brain's loading. Oh, here comes that push down, but I canceled it. But like I said, I don't mind when I cancel an order. It's out of sight, out of mind. I forgot about it already. You know, like I'm on to the next. You know. Man, this chart's looking sick.
No,
mine. Mask up here.
Oh, man, mask on.
Mask on.
That's tight, man.
You know, and when you're waiting for price, you know, you have some sweets or something. I'm having too much fun, guys. I'm having too much fun. It's FOMC. We're in a chop. We got to keep it going. You know what I mean?
I ain't got a towel, but throw in the pillow.
That's it. Oh, give me that pillow. I'll go to sleep.
Go home. Here. Oh, man.
That's it. We'll see what happens here.
Congrats to all the winners. Y'all still talking about congratulations. Congrats to all of y'all, man.
We got a last minute like and share extravaganza going on, guys. Let's drop some more likes, some pushes, some shares just to be fun. We got another 2 minutes here, guys. And, you know, Corey is streaming on his YouTube channel. Definitely hit him up. Check him out. He's always streaming. I'm on Twitter. Corey's on Twitter. We're growing that Twitter. That's our MFFU.
Hey.
Yeah, growing your Twitter.
Shout out to y'all for helping me out, man. Boy, y'all ran it up last stream, man. Thank y'all, man. Shout out to you, Forex for that. Thank you, brother.
Perfecto. Perfect.
Yeah.
Magnifique. Magnifique.
That man in the kitchen cooking Betty Crocker style. Let's go, man.
We're cooking. So here we go. Yeah, it's like... See, I would normally do maybe an Ike CT down here at 561 for a little buy once price tested down here, but because there's 2 minutes left, you know, I gotta wait for the end of the candle. So guys, if you're still watching, I say stay safe. My targets right now is I think this wick down here at 503 is gonna get filled before FOMC happens. So it's like, you know, if you, I'm that's what I'm kind of eyeing. So I'll probably be trading lightly until after 2:30, but that's kind of where I'm looking at right now. You know.
Well, man, we got 1 more minute left. Any last thought, brother? What you got, man?
All I'm saying is I'm going to pick up a couple of these 50% pro accounts because that's the only account still in the industry. You can literally get 100K payout. There's no consistency rule. You can really run it up. You know, you can really run this up. So I'm picking those up while they're on sale, 50% off. I don't know when that's going to happen again. You know, I've seen the 20% offs now and then I'll see a 25 or 30% off, but these 50% offs over here, they don't happen a lot. They don't happen a lot.
Any last words for the people?
Just keep it simple. Just keep it simple. What about you, Corey?
Man. Hey, man. 50% off on the pros, the rappers, Bob the Builder. Yes, we can, man. Hey, man, it's Forex. Corey the phone trader. Hey, man, say, man. It's two brothers, man.
That's it, man.
Good stream today, my brother.
Should we do it again on Monday?
They like us. They really, really like us. Why
They like
not?
us. We'll see you all Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. Always use a stop loss.
Bye, man.
Go.